extra KUUMA ara tuketha tukigwatanira na mwanasiasa mkongwe kabisa na expert wa mantu yegi siasa no tongi ni mheshimiwa Mithika Linturi. Harikana mheshimiwa Mithika Linturi ni mtu withiritwe ari siasa ni kwa kagitaga karaja nethiritwe ari MP wa rutererura rwa Igembe miaka 10 anethiritwe ari senator wa Meru miaka 5 na nethiritwe ari CS akiri mantu yegi angirikata na kiri national government. Kwa hivyo tukwa narua no tukomba kuthatukiaranirie no ni kenda haga twira ura mantu yethiritwe ya karigi siasa na jara yethiritwe ya gita na mbere tumbe kuthatukiaranirie tumenye side ya story ni riko na nata baibanga bangite takiama kia DCP na thirikari rio thai ura mantu ya kethirwa ya gita rikana nombe kuthwa gitwata rutere rwa Facebook Meru TV Kenya nombe kuthwa gitwata rutere YouTube Meru TV Kenya na nombe kuthwa gitwata ke Go Live Africa hakinya yo kethirwa ugitwata Meru TV Kenya na tukomba kuthatukiaranirie ukethirwa ugenda utume SMS yaku no withwa gitutumira SMS kiri namba ya 0714349788 hii ndene screen yaku tutumira SMS ringa thimo kethirwa kukiuria kethirwa wena kio ke mheshimiwa Mithika kethirwa ni comment wenu ni opinion wenu nombe kuthwa gitutumira na bila shaka tuketha tukiwata SMS TN. Karibuni sana tuleta na mbere kwithira tukiaraniria nikenda tugetana rwarie rwa mbere na nikenda ukethirwa kimenya eje kana ni ruo rumuri rwa siasa rungwa toro kuona tena inya rumuri aza muthikiria na mutegeri wa Meru TV agukuonia kama ni rumuri rwa siasa anandi tukenda akuchambua siasa kwa undani kabisa na kumenya ni biyo jongo twirigire tora tutete na mbere hakutha tugetera kithurano kinene kia 2027 woni gitara kwa urimbita NJERI wa CHEUPE. Karibuni sana na mheshimiwa, karibu sana ndani ya mitambathiri 11.2 FM na Meru TV. Tumbe kuthira tukiaranirio ukethia antu baku na ubere ukariatia.
Nibwega sana NJERI wa CHEUPE. No ndo mpaka nyaka tukuyarwari through mitambo yenu ya Meru TV na thiri kenda tukomba kwaraniria na Meru ona bonde bari nambue hamape kwithira ndi antu rwari nonto ndine gitari nene muno nte ya Meru TV.
Yes.
Na mkimenya Meru TV tutethetie muno yarira ndashwa itike senator Meru twina mheshimiwa Mpurapuri tuwatene no na kireitu murungi ile kasi TV litufanyia kama nonto twagwindona nafasi yo shogambuwa nkatho ringi ambuwe nchokia nkatho kiri management staff na tubonde ba Meru TV na braba Meru TV na braba metegera no tubangwira yendelea kurita embega kuthomethia ku entertain na wika Meru bakimenya amount baya wita ko ndire antu ku yanaruo goro nikenda mbaraniria na Meru nengobera bakaibwo bwa kabisa ibauria bioria bionde bakenda aya murende tu engage them ngenda tumba kuthomanithia na inyage through TV ya na tukerua radio na TV ngomba kuthoma na nkuibwa.
Yes.
Na kuria Meru ina bari no ntundenda kumenya no ntuno kumenya NJERI mbwa onde munjeshi umwe ndene Meru nenguri kuruti njeshi ontedia koroya ndwera yitite mbere na araura.
Yes.
Na kwou ndenda kuibwa wananchi baba nabo lakini nyankendelea umeakuri kiongozi umwe ntura nkendete muno na urambenda muno gutonya kunyawo muromba buru athikire kiroki ndo imbitite na rame kinduri nkauria wananchi bambira na twena history nawe uma 1996 na musalenda agutiere
wow
otirongi Mithika ki wa uma na uratwambiria ndwene na natwete to kura kuma miaka 1996 mwanga nende iwe ngake misa ke siasa hii tia tutena wese ndi tukaendelea ngeto mushwana nde mutuminya ko banjuri twari kenda tona Meru twethe tombo umreta mwe ikathithika na nombue na narari kuonde kandi mwire ugia kuiba mantu ukathikira mantu yankuibwa yankwiro antu akibwa nontu antu bange barari steta uziara arete de bakaua ateke makenope u ikiumwe ke yundi ke kunjwe yes kimwe ito mpuru gankwire kwa no ndikiretie ugia kurira kiriro tukurira thai nkwire mapema athi no ntukazungu mwamba ni mukora uyo kunja kiama kepeu kiama kepeu ikyo kiriro kia Meru ikyo giti ikyo kingi umba amoiro bomba kuidhukira tafadhali mandu ya kwiro kunja kiama wetekiria kwitha tutari na kiama mithika ibyo ntwari yo methai byo ntuga chagwa yo methirikari thai ko kiama ilongo wewe pate linda no gwo kiama so kwenda na kwenda bwaria boraje bwiri kwa na ile bwindi amu
tigiti muntu kiumbe
tu muntu kiumbe structured negotiations kana dialogue ebyama na bingi bibirete sima ko burugo dawi matu ndikira na usikubali hiyo maneno.
Okay, mheshimiwa karibu sana ndene mitambo ya Thiri FM na Meru TV yorori kikuwa nikagita karaja na nada tukwata ogeni officially na tukwire thank you kinyaweno ntubwa gwitikiria kwithira wina interview na batu kenda twithira tukiariria Meru. Mheshimiwa taurande kiti kuibwa ngikithikira ground babu kiona nya babu mnasikiza ground indicate kuibwa wewe murimi munene sana, which means that kinyagite kironengeri kia CS wa agriculture batati njira urimi pokaria ate by the way
NJERI kankwere the backbone ya economy ya Kenya ni urimi and I believe MITHIKA ni tena urimi na nyate Kenyaki kwanza muno nya county ya Meru is an agricultural county.
Yes.
Na the easiest Nigeria isi yokuria ndiguru idhuru urimi ndo urimi boandika unto over 60% the population yetu ni arimi in different sectors either small scale medium scale na nya large scale farming.
Yes.
Number 2 urimi ibo nibo source of livelihood chanturaba ingeno ndo other than nya biashara kana kurima kureiria kibida tureya no to the ambise miunde kinyo source of raw material.
Yes.
Ya most of our industries na mandia yendeka so you can't really survive without agriculture uwa mandia moko dhivya. So I am a firm believer in mandu na yorimi. I'm passionate about yorimi because when udhi yorimi noka anyirianto na wakikisha baisa sawa you also you are proud because you have an the country.
Yes.
You have an the county, you have an the family. So orimi to me I'm really passionate about it. It's something I practice. Tekuirwa I'm not a pretender in it.
Yes.
And I'm really hands on when it comes. Nyela ndaire mantu ne yorimi NJERI ministry they go Kimenya exactly what I wanted. Yes. And I was very happy about it.
Wow.
And then I chose it. And then I bonde Ruto gave me any favor. Your Mpagi minister of livestock development. I asked for it, we had agreed on it. That's who the favor. Ka only afufila promise it. Tuetika nireti. Kinyaki the nejiro miuna bandae. No ne utuetika nireti. Because of very many reasons. Because indona na maoni yako kwa kari I would have done quite a lot in that ministry kwa ya move from Mutetheria move the country forward and then do ikane ndanankerwe ministry tariki 27th October right.
Yes.
2022 they are na parembe muno and aba kwa thirikari na baba to pushire tongwa batwi ibo bekaira suria kiongo baduha metunitetie and when I went there I knew what I really wanted to do no ndinda hadwana cia nambere kura siko thira au month ndajengeta ministry ya agriculture inde ndeta utankeme exactly kwa kaina mpara ne ariona tisuantu atura street so rero ndo mparera yari ko yaira just nende iyite ndetren kemenya lazima provide irio kireanto na kimo pangilio yako provide irio no ndari na short term and long term plan ya bora irio bikimba kuonekana.
Yes.
No thirikari ko thari na mbesa completely ndato atonyara so my mind and which I persuaded the president Nigeria neither had to attract private investment in the supply of essential commodities in the market katuetie irio duty free and the participation ya thirikari ni waiver ya duty kenda private sector yura mpempe yura mingau yura misere kendanto the supply ya in the market price will go down because it's just an economic situation ya demand and supply.
Yes.
Ila ya force price kuna ma.
Very
Which is succeeded. But you see, in night in presentation, there was a do to Urakoyana because we also be losing revenue as a country on duty. So we plan on how to address the problem of shortage through mechanisms sustainable.
Yes, long term.
That is how the IRENA program number 1 ya kuregister me. So I remember on the 5th of January 2023 at Kenya School of Government, Woni na Rigathi Gachagua tweta mandisi yonde twati manabonda berba ngwati kuregister me kenda mambere process registration.
Okay.
Bego amberia kuregister me ndahandikithia few farmers ndeta woni Italy kwa FAO ndahe wambecha ndambiria program iretwa Kiamis nondo ndetri nyomi stand in Zambia where twetire kuthoma uratumbo membiria kenda twina Kenya Integrated Agricultural Management System irangetha ndina remi bakwa in the system na babete nditi ucio ina batura
yes
ina nimbi barima which I also made sure that fund ambassador Kenya iranda harombete.
Okay.
That register mwanga 6.42 million people.
2 million people.
6,420,000 people. Tewa ndio kuregister kadenda ndiria targeted agriculture no remi targeted. Kenda menyende our food requirements in the country ni nkunia ngiri milioni 60 siampempe. How do I grow 60 million bags?
Oh.
Menye Rift Valley, Meru, ina kwena mibetu mea kulima mpempe and yari mibana by now. Then question the next would be kenda muremi nambona ndenda optimal production ya heke what do they want?
Okay.
For me to produce, the way must be supported to give these people farm inputs. Farm inputs is certified seed.
Yes.
Nanda tonya Kenya seed keria to elio so produce mbeu kenda pose mbeu inama so to the seed to ya fertilizer.
Yes.
Nikenda tumba ku support arimi.
Yes.
So within that Kiami system wanende nonto bokora na wamba wabutura ki fertilizer kuiwa na kwa the wrong people then na voucher system ekwari mibaba yenje stand ya ndo mat pite miunda yo isaisiana na bale mpempe kiasiana au ni other crop nyamshere then lazima tuba support na fertilizer.
Yes.
No tegi omba ku fertilizer OTA allocation e go through the system. Kenda wherever you are in the country omba weta upi fertilizer.
Yes, akwena.
Kinya bigeria batware dero ande ko. No na message a KUUMA na system when I said
yes.
Na bomore miare 2,500 inge subsidy message kwa nereji
Okay.
So I arara karim there and if I had the opportunity to serve for 5 years I would have changed the whole country.
Na nore mutujo na mereka na nonto
the mukutu yo huma 250 but nyondi can you mention na huma 250 huma 250 da yotire yo 118 over 120 I can't nini bayaf.
Yes.
So I was very happy of my achievements as the minister. But you see, Setani si maunto. When I went there, nandeta system we fertilizer, subsidy nambi kateo ni tura si aturaku, si fertilizer na semanto yangi. Of course, batenda no this was big business. Now ministry kinjake the hinda harikuo meno kumenyana ne bako yonto Felix Koskei was a former minister.
Yes.
Wa agriculture. President himself was his cash cow. A former minister wa agriculture nara. Na yeye wane kalenjin kana ne antwari twali tibenda. They couldn't easily understand.
Okay.
Woka mumeru ke ya kaumba ko ya such a powerful ministry.
Nakambio
perform so well. Ndale tenyama hantu ya ndra no ndbakuri area fund post-harvest losses. He transformed the whole post-harvest losses. He transformed the whole thing. One Yamando le interfiana mayani que se singe si antiguo kundi he transformed the whole thing. One day Yamando le interfiana mayani que se singe si antiguo so Kenya story bachwantu wakiarije ma business interests in the sale of fertilizer.
Okay.
I can tell you from here.
Now we was yes.
Now, of course, it was not my business. Would have fertilizer and it my business. Lakini yani spimbi non to know ya uraidia nambi. Lakini Kemote was a CEO. Kai carried listing. Yaka
fertilizer.
Aka fertilizer. And as the minister, ya come to my attention company yetawa SLDR. Non to SLDR ambi fertilizer. So non to problems ina si areo CHEUPE. So nyingi muno, we are almost encountering delays.
Fertilizer.
No, that problem. Almost encountering delays in the supply of fertilizer. No, that problem there at 9:30 a.m. And then the home is almost end out.
Yes.
Yes. So ndendo beleza na mbeleza context ya mantu yao.
Okay. Felix Koskei.
No Felix Koskei.
No worry. Yes? No.
Felix Koskei in Kenya no.
Felix Koskei right now Yes. Okay. Okay. Right now. Yes.
Right now. So Doma.
Arua, good morning, Waziri. I'm in your meeting with the Council of Advisors. It has been decided that we need to have an urgent meeting on fertilizer availability distribution. It is kindly arranged to attend the meeting today at 3:30 p.m. at Arabe House with your PS and the NCP B team.
NCPB.
Yes.
So on end of public service, Secretary of President, Council of Advisors, Ibara and Turuto, ali abo bai man device yawe so oni ni minister wa agriculture
yes
lakini nto meabo man ndio kwa council kwa device naenda public service kwa utirimana kwa on 11th na kwa messenger 11th
yes
kwa oni beto obisini arambe house na PS yako neni spimbito walile man bo fertilizer ikoonekana na bo can distribute
yes
so
woki tema mjadili tayari
procurement office kwa Mukalenjini ndabera uninteta mabute nibo kabange mando ya fertilizer I never went
okay
bareta kudithia mando so ndare manayo ntagira bareta bari bankura bayibangire non tos not in the Central Africa Republic tena president message ndonere ndero PS na unchwa kemaria
yes
so oni and content this year I mean mapema ndo ndaibetwe ndabura ko fertilizer ko rwetesa sawa erio wate tumenye exactly no tupenete instructions nkawa muntu ageta fertilizer na faero fertilizer we kwirwa nau make sure poko wata fertilizer we kadithiata
ekaeta kiranto
mando ya tarashwa fertilizer ira na fertilizer ira
I mean DCI
I mean you I mean
DCI yes
amandegre there
morning PS. Last evening, I discussed the issue of fertilizers impounded in Mombasa by multi-agency team with the end of public service. It has been decided that we release the consignment as we wait for the outcome from the CHEUPE results. Yes.
Fertilizer norothikirite na mitandao kana mbi ngoroibwa mandu ya yonkwenda kuwa. Nuibirio kureta fertilizer ende menyewa nendo public service.
Yes.
Na decided to accounts of and devices.
Yes.
Pambetanda ya wita. Ndatuma PS
na NCB
na NCB and procurement officer. Later ndaibu fertilizer ina issue. To wata na DCI. No gwibu.
Yes.
To me wata. Now the one thing that is written here, no gwibu DCI they have discussed the issue of the fertilizer impounded in Mombasa by multi-agency team with the hand of public service.
Yes, Felix.
Hand of public service, ila Felix, no mbete akiwa tukabange, o fertilizer yakaenda. Na Mungu ni nani? Mtete ya mchemani.
So that means yapenda complicate.
Apenda complicate. No boba bange tukakuremete. Ko kariko ubura kwa karikire. Na fertilizer to wata, niongai natura ankareti. Ndego ramini wata fertilizer na wata yani yo yeko wata amini antu message ambira to kwa demando na end of public service
yes
na bo fertilizer ne diata nilwe so no wetu organize na askari o bo fertilizer luko I don't go
okay
amantu ya didia ambiro parliament mirega na era wa itikiumbekana ne remere I was not aware.
So that means they were frustrating
so they were frustrating my job na endie fertilizer nebo temedeka
okay
kimotoro di tangi ko tindira mo lokerie so ke akuiba manto ya fertilizer fake kana whatever it ko tindira mo lokerie so ke akuiba manto ya fertilizer fake kana whatever it is
solutions
issues to do with the food sufficiency in the country. So kinya bonge bokaura. Kenyans will remember me for coming up with an e-voucher system ya kwanto fertilizer kuregister me na nyake danta meet dream ya finally kuhakikisha murimi now produce now support burabu eri kenda produce ibyo bikwana kenda Kenya thira mpara one day kioto kenga ikijira na mbere ya Kenya eitariu ibyo bwibi na mire they can attest to that.
Yes.
Other than kuwa story who's fertilizer waburi kwa nyame theka no chumiria muno bwibi na ile ngombe ria the production na nyapa ariminyaba mayani yes bonus ask the Merus here in the thing growing zones.
Okay.
You don't bonus here where yes in
yes
in Kegoi and wherever. So ntari tangwe but also thank God not the pressure I was too much. I would literally want them to do things if low naturally.
Yes.
They expect I will not space but his hands were horrible. So whatever it is, and by the way, and for avoidance of doubt, Ruth to get in the cabinet meeting. Sorry, can I retreat? Minister for Agriculture.
You now.
Right?
No,
so he's the one who was running.
Okay.
You can ask.
So as much as we are the CS is short, is
this story. We worked under very difficult conditions.
Okay.
So that is what I would want to say. Unless if you have any question.
Yeah, I have a question. Does this mean that Kinyauda tuona tha ino tuona thirikari mostly itherwa ikitabi kuria kuma ome na kwena arimi bare ande Kenya ba could remain to be the same na tuki expect maybe arimi ba bombe ba guriro mbere then bira the percentage
the others, their interest, ni kude kwenda short NJERI every time, kenda ntu bamba kuleta ku import. Nonto cost of production, menara ni lower, group Kenyan farmer tena support. So abiashara babonde baleta abiashara, baleta imports. And business people who are aligned to the president.
Okay.
Yeah. So tutu no bwa tokiaria.
Okay.
So is that business.
Okay. Katuze ki mbere tumaruka kiri agriculture no tetu kiri agriculture mheshimiwa. Dai tuko na kuina pare nyingi muno ndene Kenya. Especially antu bakwete sana ruterwa northern Kenya na thirikari riwa ni kirete around 4.1 billion cia kwithira bakirwa na mantu jegie anga kana parera ithire twegita na mbere. According to you as a leader, do you think no tutrona nyaka chagwa hakuwa mbeci nini muno iteumba kongania antu bonde mbece yu na watrimara Kenya na baraba kuibonete irio bibarua turona mukebe jumwe kana mikebe. Do you think thirikari ni ko deal na mantu jora kubatere?
No, thirikari has lost direction. It is not clear. It is not interested in the problem that's in the country.
Okay.
No, if you want, na inkwenda kuranto, you can never satisfy, can support the current expenditure or succeed. The current expenditure in this change in terms of provision of food. Because you must eat in the morning, later, no.
Yes.
So just like he said in the Bible, teach people how to fish.
Yes.
Don't give them fish.
Very true.
This is what I started in the ministry. Saying to me, buy na.
Yes.
Ibari mabi. Then ito buy fertilizer. Ito buy MB. Ito buy mbeu na the sort. Then the other thing, arimba buy produce enough for us. Lakini inyo ababi ubionde na kuoko tena inyaro oye. Then they will not grow without water. So the other place was we were even discussing saying irrigation conundrums are so critical for us to become self-sufficient in food. Nokia Kwali, and I will demonstrate in this interview. Meru being an agricultural county, and amenya what I was planning in onini boya kwa Meru for Meru. When I sat there I was very deliberate not to ndenda ku participate nyani in my own small way kudhiria rina. I met a program called CIACA. Right?
Yes.
CIACA biendelea, and when I went there na ne supporter product provision of water kiri arimi. And decided to take ownership ya yona ndati mambesa sile house yotura na out of mbecha irachi hareo I became an enemy of the other people there, right?
No to gutumira mbecha
no to they wait a woni out of 1,500,000 buru if I'm to be condemned, hey, I have no apologies ku condemn ndetenda khandi ndekera out of 500 million 375 million in Meru.
In Meru only.
375 million
out of
in
500.
Meru. Na 375 million in Meru projects. Jadi dia hasioroye. Na kinyato barabara kindogo oto dato tona in the Meru na ndeya nile project date.
Meru.
So what 375 million 277,552. Then during my tenure kenda Meru bonai roe to support agriculture. Na no nto bariowa. Na no nto nya muntu wambwe onge wabundu rais kurukia murungu abikirete. Ndo damone lagiwa Mithika nato thithiria antu babure.
Yes.
Antu babure baba bubundikirete. Please. CHEUPE na bange ba Meru. Nimbona yate nyantu mumu ngenio yagembe north. Ikimbura se Mithika nato thithitie.
Orisi yes.
Ikura siwesi yes.
Meanza barugo tebo oditire
wa yes. Nini south. Urukwa kama topa keta kuruma Mithika kembe south no. I want to ask the Merus. Ibandikire na bampe 2 minutes. Na branka huharu hariba tume message. Wawe no urongo anima because wakaria kai fashion eita ronda kenda muntu akimanda kumatukana incompetence kana inefficiency yawe iweta kura cha muyumbe mutongeri onge nato thitherie.
Yes, da wariko
kwa bari na over report kana list ya brodi dacia, and that's why I'm saying this forum ushogliankado nompete yo. I want to tell the people of Bori today pathikirie no right now nkabera mbwa untu wetu wa Gaterone in Meru County Eburi West Kisima na Ntirimiti ndamere mbwao 12.4 million ndathi thienge witwa eu ya Gaterone 1 kwene nyingi witwa Gaterone 2 niyo 11,960,000 kinyawe Kisima Ntirimiti Buri West kwene nge yetwa Rutendene mbwao Meru County Buri West 9.3 million weta mwero Muthanga ndene yatigania East Muthara 11.7 million undugwene nge witwa Mabasha mbwao in Meru ndene tigania East itawakithi 12.7 wena Lothera mbwao Meru County Athwana ikuwe 12 million ndegenge Mwangandia na Imenti Central 11.5 tweta na Iruru na Rembe North antube twe Kiongo 13.3 kwene nge witwa Kilunchene mbwao na arakuta onto kwitwa Ashoro no kwiba no ina karama 11.7 kweta kanatha mbwao in Meru kinyo ne athiru yene na harathitha no kwiba igembe Central ukwena Majarene aggregation center na mbwao iriho no kwiba Eburi Kibechia linjenga hiyo onto wonge twa Kithima Meru mbwao na Buri East 8.7 nde njambwao onto kwetwa Mituguru Imenti North 12.2 na yaki kwinenge ya Majengo mbwao ha Meru Town 11.5 ngondo ni livestock yandire wakwa na kithi ne Mithika Ministry of Livestock drilling ya Muthara grading na marketing chain 11 million drilling and equipping mitunto ara mbwao area itigania West na Thau 11.4 kwina equipping ya Kamiti 1 mbwao nio na Kisima enge kwipa bore brasinge 11.8 drilling ya na equipping Enkiene primary school na kendani milioni 10 mumone Meru na Central Muringene 10.5 drilling ya Gitiene secondary school mbwao Nara Imenti South iko East 11.7 na Dubai nara Egembe South 12.3 St. Mary's Primary School nukuibwa Egembe Central 12.5 kuina Malaene Meru nara Egembe Central 12.5 livestock yard engundune 11 million construction Maua marketing shed Maua ara 36 million na construction ya Buri Uwa office ile Buri West 1.4 kuna Mudhara marketing shed na sanitary facilities ara na koka 4.7 na improvement ya 18.8 km ya roads ya Kisima no kuba Buri West yonde na antrimiti 16.6 na mwisho sport improvement ya 15.1 km ya Nkomo Tangata Ward in Meru County 17.9 total kwa kimi bilioni manata county Meru ndareta 375 million no kuba ndareta Meru yonde buraukari
na interview ndiko waki mheshimiwa
ati
interview
ndari ngao kenda nto bauri kodi bakona nyamuisa ite te yayande kwa matati
yes
ndakura I am the only minister yo kura Meru twayire tweshima I am the only minister kwenda ndo bantederia na bando mbere uni because I am the only minister who has ever been discussed ilo anditangite anto imbandikite anto babingi mu
ba Meru
weta kajwa ngimbunge senate weta wa specifically weta kefis ikimeru kyara choko onke discuss wai bunge I did it. I have no apologies. I did it. Nanduge mwende hiria kware on this 5th of June ntukwera kawera bari nando muno na ma MCA ndete kurura show arami ndera kawera we todiria show tuete tore lunch na MCA siba nkuwatania na bondo redire tuwe Meru tambere no ndiro ndari ndi stop na ndo mutedere kiri impeachment mbera tekengwe twarwiro irio one of the caterers ba Meru ku aitia ndoka ndeta ndaura lunch na madhiranto then anto bonde ana beira na torof bonde ntaba isi because I was following up by interest was quite na Meru bari danenkanire baro atorof sanguge sabito one institution torof one evening nondo indare achio indide de gonga dankana ngaigia ana kebe bapi na murungu baba amamie professor gigatira boya nonto kinyera ndamusukumire ara chairman wayo and the idea why we push people into government ikenda reba kona maundu na twanya baeta Meru bangi so professor ndain and then a lot of pain na vacuum ene maisha kwa nonto antu abonde twandikite kebe bapi noti wa Meru arikuo nonto ari chairman ndamura akabibia maundu
yes
na when he died but kona ya nonto yari tariki 14th March on 14th March they celebrate first anniversary nonto no rinyanja judgment ya kawire thoma wa meaning do the same day there indikidio onduma mbogori ari amotono ina professor I am out of government ito sukume ketike iki chokwe Meru nonto professor nari tangwe mbega unogwe chairman wa Meru caucus mbunge ya Meru iki choke because he did a good he supported me kuana to andegeta nyayo T-zones because I took the chairman there ke face yungo kwera ndekeri hantu nao no kuba afa ndandege CEO kuna kifua lazima afa pest control board CEO no dharakanidi is also ndamusukuma areta nao mudhaura ho urengore the other day na kwa kitindi we have put people there ana babo on them bendekithite ibaba ingento mboba mention arimu but mamto benga MC abunga baba yanda baba arwase kwandika arimu baita bagende ngirima na tatu mana yana abatina ndabu bakende question na una tandiritie
bakende barabona bakawotite utiana bandikithite
bakawotite they are there okyakwira na bonde ndeberange yawe tu awun kale tanto manairi haya te arachua nondo tu agira kurwa tu na favor na manto mengi and I have rent you projects ida idithitwe in a span of 20 months as the minister mukwa CEOs batano barambandikithite
yes
mukwa chairman baranda handikithirie na bangi bonde bamwe bangi babutirwe 10 then Meru when I left government kan
kibara watonyetie
so riandu bomburia biuria iba meno bakwaria na because I know what I'm talking about and buite many times I'm not a mad person kan kwaria bravo
facts
so the chairman wa caucus ya bunge has failed completely and totally na teko meabwa kuwa no ndonyo challenge nya bongo challenge ri o tembo toria kwa the kigatira wengwa no choketie titachoka mana raisi kitata wakikietere na untukungi
na kinyite biu bingi antu babuti bionde moshimiwa ikuronekana utegete muntu akurutwa replace na muntu aguma Meru.
I can give you 12 I can give you 12 BBT after my departure na itenda influence ite appointment na ibiretere no te warasia wetara State House no kaya wegana okamatuka gavana kaudra na MCA bauguma State House na MCA bawe na bunge bakawategana unge bebte baeta don't go to naibo no nto Meru haturi na history yetu yotongwa na kurwira uciathi tutuburi kwitha tu level batu ewikairwa pempe na kwata wa unguku look at Meru has over 40 banks.
Yes.
Meru in a central bank. Bank iteta onto kutena mbecha.
Nima.
Meru kuma history ne yayo itwire ino tonga bokawa wa mayani mbeniko cotton nambi. Right?
Yes.
What we require and don't kwa mbecha no ba support to bibi choke na biremwe ari mibona mbecha chyo no kwa
kana mbecha zimpo support
mbecha chumbe uchowa cho muntu ayitire ngo ejo athomithie anabawe look Meru kuma hitara Kenyatta ria moi ria dakibaki u Kenyatta Meru to na 2 ministers Rui minister mo boino
daino mo
right
yes.
People are not asking questions so and baba bodi otetera mantu
ya nyebira binge biyono kabigwe
ibaba dhuri nyebira binge biyonda byaso ibiweta naboko ko na lenders you have no lenders in Meru as auctioneers and business people in the form of lenders na leo kubang piwa ndera Meru bru tafadhali baba ndigirite please ndombeleni again no kuiba
yes
batamburae na bambura nyenda mweko ya badhiata na you know my spirit will live on because it is painful kuona badu reduce to a level ewito tulaidwa maru na kwa yairwa mbecha itiutethia anybody opportunity yona kana mwanto muhana wanke roto cyumba aewa opportunity that we prove kaka ende wrongwe akaendia bunda na into kengi I can name as we sit now grade 10 skuru chetu da china o mauku yana ya tano ndo ndo mchemba nione na za mtichasi bombera ya kikuo na yet itwantu beto twinira dutam dewa ndia ekudhomethiana ni usapotiana bakura time is going to the half time but thomete anything ni ba expect kwa compete na rabangi so we have a serious problem because our leaders in quotes have lost in direction. To tend shortage of leaders. And next time you really need to look at the patriots, right? And and willing to fight for the community. And the anybody who is conflicted in terms of public interest, na interest yawe should not apply for this job. No, whether we mubiashara inda wawenda chia. Kana we mubiashara wenja mabarabara. Wayangu idrikari uko mantu ya barabara yantu bakire utumba kubarita ngwe I can say without fear the interest company cha barabara I have never been paid today because I was stoned by Uhuru Kenyatta tuikurea na kinoti ndero kurirwa nontu nonsamonete tariki kenda mwezi wa February 2022 Radisson Blue tekana na tukurembeza chiagu urekana William Ruto ndio warembeza nikare last week bari State House pa complain na mantu ya barabara ya dhero nambi na bakwa metheka atumba wetukuri mbechi ira wetia tutumurea na long time ago they owe me money no kubera lakini kwa muntu akanangirwa mbechi thai akaimba muno no ntucheta kwa upinzani you see this is muntu you deserve to do government work when you are qualified as a Kenyan
And that is why it pains me, because it's not a favor. And we either contracts can be on account of their competence, of their ability. But whether no one you're on the radio to it away to me, but I will to me to Hariau, Yambi the Bay 2017. Near Tavida, Mongan near 2017. I was the member of parliament in 2017, right? Yes. What in Makibau? Can you add Nini Barabara Chonde? Each Igusi Meru to Sentani, Kakane, Miomponi, with Ora, right? So, ye Grauchonde, in MP, Nanabunga Bange Barikurakungi. So, there are MPs Baba to the Beta with ya. Maendeleo State House is because they also don't know what their work is. Budget is appropriate by Parliament. Bagenda mantu babiru sukuma budget ekra mbungene. No gibwa, right? Ekra ku mbunge ekra mbeza kimbudget. President does not allocate kinyake they say ya proposals. They can tweak with the budget nambi. Tweak with the budget nambi. And na tumakire concentrate the power ke president na tuya na issue and devolution non tubakuriye kwethia president murungu handu weto tulia marukuromba intokiwe kenda tuya na issue and devolution non tubakuriye kwethia president murungu handu weto tulia marukuromba intokiwe kenda okaunti ya yirwe ngabana wenu na resources sidasi kudhiatia siku ya mbio mtorene for example Meru akabari kubonekerera doko yanjye na kana PR yo kanyani wao okay tena ndika kungwe alomera kalwa abela ntoma mawa stadium yes tukaambiria waka Jumatatu etaruari etambiri ora mmeona kuo sibitari ya mawa yero ena mbeja utiki ndugona na mbeja ukuma 500 million iranda ambirite na kumicha high minister ndatumite the agriculture na PS kwake mutai nora we health high ngesu kumera ntu betu ni agwire twewe to tiba menya tai we ya awane bako ya level 6 yes nyoba waka atenje cheke waka na nyonga bana udhiro kakina ku agira atori agira isike na to akro level 6 go there tonight ombele kwa mjengo yorio your national government ya level 6 yo akwinjeje hakuna nya personality tani rorongo ikazungu to eta hai be ya baka achoberwa bakurirwe rando ya national park yes national park ya nini ya yari no Leopard Rock atu berantu kwakwenda grab that plot ya nini ya yo no kuhatire you see they were grab in the sense that to inerando non to anto brave time tukone mbesi kari wata mbesi tike budget kari president jaga matambe acha wese barabara
so beyond that ni na uli pia
okora ne dichonde akaya chake hacha kare tade how do you account for this money you know mbese manto atukudideka non to the level of impunity ndio ndio ntokora ndeni nkadi ntonto I am not rende kwetu akea kana kuya kwa irwambiro kwa karo let me tell you when I was minister I fought so hard Meru Central Farmers nondo nenderi Meru nderi na nyani ndi mulimi weria twaga kithi kya kuthithia ng'ombe we went through hell
milioni igana ikionekana
iracia
yanirwe when I left president ntuga twari na 20th June stand ya mwe yaringe mantu na yaria I remember very well on twari na riku iro twari nao right abera nkubongela milioni ngegana
yes
boyuri mb
boyuri nini ndere nini
bongele I want to challenge see you ondere kana ni bondo yose ambere mbezi uko thira ya kumanjuni ichiongelerwe so atwa eretie kila kitu imuromo na ntongerie batu enabo no mpepa kuringa babiwa atorie is dragging a carrot ndongo kwera I have a better move as one Meru muringi kura ondikere I am telling you Rangua teka ntikubwa kurankumenya na rimiberia kwenda bokozi special NGM tuite turie kana turie bado no tutira rimiberia na president na kana mbecha tuita na tuinda turie meria tuite ra factory tuna udhiri wako kana kwa dhani runga mi turie wai lakini yebo wangu kwenda kuwa CEO wa area na timu wewe ili a very good job no tuituri hawai mapema na mbi lakini omba kuona kuria turinyewe thina no ntwari mibero milioni igana ikuya na kithiki te wakika bakandikuria murume na wewe tongana ta kwagarira pamwenza na nto very good people
yes
so president na nto babe tu ibabwiri kumenya baki committee kira iya level era babwiri wita nonto omba kudura ne thina nto so Ruto and his team na bunge betu bonde kana leaders betu bahaiku babwiri bwa very careful yaba kundiro nawe
okay
nonto I don't think na bwiri witikwa na ringe ndibaurie na thikiria when the president stands and says kabwa kirandu karenji kuuma embu eye chupa iwate mwanka maua ndo karenji requires billions of money the simple question ile bwiri kurware yetutarea bahatu tore andu ba igembe not kwina baro e kuma kaelo utonya somewhere kabwel intime somewhere mwanga mutwati kwina baro igembe central ekangeta mwanga lare wita turu itadira na tambuke mbanje tie mwanga yo kinya simuni
otero
nothing so must be a fool menya adora watere you can cheat people sometime or one time but you can't continue cheating people all the time
okay
so ogeombea wewe mubunge wa Igembe Central bwana kile nondikire nondokinya wewe ni muntu unge utena fahamu no kumebuko dhidi and you are an embarrassment to account our constituency I started etre turu hata turu awo metheka nota orire mbecha cia kuthithia barabara hii buru ntonge mtu yani undathithia barabara ya mbecha we on earth thirikari irita contracts na kunenkanira mbecha kana kiagenge kona gitomo keriako iritomo kebacho akiwa mithika riro 1.2 billion area
baro na barabara tathithua
understand kinya kuthithia barabara uria wana certificate omba kwa barabara 1.2 million lakini roka thithia barabara milioni igana iroka rewa milioni you can never have government money roka thithia so ntonge anto ba centro badurire a etega ranto kanikarwe ekanisene imire ko riete kauria wo baro oni ni ndekire barabara barabara icho ndi wakwa nao because I was intention kinya kurugera kuma kangeta witiria kanikarwe ko watana ke oi is in the plan that and put in there na neburi kuthithwa lakini itomba kuthithwa no ndotimba budget ya location
okay
imba budget ideo weta kangeta kwena mamote ne witambi na ne thithito 90% ke utudira for the last 7 years ne thithirwe itena budget ikirwa ngandirios ithithiru hambi backing barabara ita na mundo ayata kwariria na arafu atire kambecha ciarirwe why are you fooling people no banjeti utirembi
Nterio.
Kana pambezi cia Kenya umba kwata. Kasi umba kwa mbezi na why are you condoning theft? Kwa mbezi kasi ya rete budhe. Tuko guru
kwa yes. Lakini kuna kiuri kimogo nkondo kuri hapa mweshe. Wariri mantija barabara indonere Professor Kithoka ndiki akiaria raua thai barete pending bills tionde cia barabara ke contractors na barabara ira tionde cithirite ci stored ikomba kwithiro ikiambiria ngugi tionde na by 2027 ikethiro ithirikirite. Don't you think bakethra mimbi ibe kuthithia barabara yu
ndege bwagwa kabo ni onkurukia bra president yatura kuwa uwezi kindike kumba kuwa uwezi aina capacity kuwa nyandu ni kembesa kikiro kimbanyati kaburite ambajeti ko ndege urya tenari te certificate siko ngathitine ka contractor bra we barabara no murie no uri muri no uri teka na hii story bako yako ipindi na woni maybe ipindi bibyo ngutetera kuyoka syanto wana tariki 2024 March itwara president yantu kweta wathiru twariria barabara ya thiru au in the next 6 months
eketha ikuthira kira
mwanka ruari utuwa harika because there's no money so kindike ya uwe barabara nebekirite ya so bare kinyoka yoka ya contractor today umurite mbese cyangwiri tuere imami for 2-3 years nko ni barua zi madam na ndo ba ke itawaza timaba onte kwene mando dan kona baro wa kwe muntu ubu ita muyumbe wa igembe centro ndo baro ane kona kwe you see there's a letter here inkwenda kuona nyenkele chamone kwa kameti marua kana ura muntu ndikirite na baro eno antumira directly nkamirita kwa na unfollow we ambai kera nontu batirite mbeca bagandika baro bakiwa batethwe na kuwithirwa interest ya 50% ya irration that accumulated nontu contract you okathira winai wa accumulate interest on pending bill
yes
so nontu pending bill ira okay baro ya imantu contraction ne tariki 19
this year
no kuiba na payment of outstanding amounts and settlement agreement pending amount if you are references meant that contractor's letter dated 5th and following invitation now the purpose of this is to communicate to you the proposed payment arrangement as outlined below. Payment arrangement. 40% of the sum related to works payment certificates shall be paid upon signing this agreement. I proposal. Imanando ba inayo pateri. So by kwa mliwo the witikirie agreement you were 40%. And then waiver on accrued interest amounts, you are required to waive 50% of the certified interest on the delayed payments as at that 1st December 2025. They barua nioi. So go go and so waive interest or waive 40%. And with interest yeah 50%. You to rotate in when a bank loans nambi.
Yes.
With the rate. No ne katonga kanga MP kasaudi. Akua mele ne ko ya loan atina barabara. Ile o loan na konta. No. Mantu ya mantu ba ya ntu third room na inongo gwera the level of incompetence ya ntu bandi no wonder batikwele batikumya batume even ndo muntu ro kuruma ka gwere ncho wotu tekurite oheta koti na baro atia no tumba mtasi authority from the owners of the company ndisi the public lakini ndo nkuruma ni ruwayo I must be abreast yes. If we're out in that, we have interest in to 40%. Allow my certificate at the 1st in December. We have interest in 50%. So umuntu akalongamana ntonga muntu muyumbe eka wa muntu kare temperature. No tenda mahamba. But he has no clue. ukeyogero we ukere utokazi andu begembe centro uko barabara kore ekeya kuthithwa itina budget line utege hindu gikuo unandanganywa
na kuino for so long barabara ewe kore
yo eguinwa tumine dinyere ndari kumandie na unda muginya ruto hongo wankwa ningwa wanu wa campaign tweta mwanga na ndamiro nande wo manto akora ndire uru ngarine so riambingire izindare a pain in his neck Nondo in the time in the Hamurika na siang kamwira ito a promise antu ba Meru 1 2 3 then dari don't throughout ba ko ringambe they will not get close to him kele o weta kwari opusi atare mu member team yetu so agreement yetu nawe atiji kinyao kiongozi mpuro atare member of that team so atije bitu atakanireti no kwibwa so anto kinyanga bana atare joira kura
bari bubairi
itu hari tuberi ndachwa so ndo babe ko kidetine kirine beta no ndo batare o baini baito na CIACA na pempe bameria inongo ko iko watu ampempe igete iguayi because the owners of that company no gwe batu itu to hengerewe ruwa ku no kone nyonto rigathia ura wana inya muno na tekingi no ndo bumwaki menya itu tu hakire Meru problem ne na mulima na ngema no itu tu harere ni agreement no tu amwitikacia na tware ha kuthithia kiama that time because we believed in him we trusted him he was our friend utitekia mushora no akuthithia
no akalukire
so ayeko hamwa kututhithia ora tuthithirie itumire saindi so rigathi nwe no today ko ngwa woni ingine nyovu abia bunge betha baina bu it is because we were paid money umimpichi na kurunga family kurunga na uma bantu because we were paid money umimpichi na kurunga family kurunga na uma bantu wetu lakini wale wangirima na tano
how far was that much more
so tell me how
is it true
ibarire yes uroko tambike kotini
Ibari,
yes, Ibari Mbesa. They were paid money.
Okay.
Yes. They don't go babu Bari Mbesa. Na kwanza ma senator anangara milioni 10. Koko ranti na senator friends. Baba yeba anambira.
You have.
Koko MPs bama baringara dimoto inabo. Pareto saina. We have good people in Meru. Tangu igonde bakaribu. Very good people.
Okay.
But nabo pare bakira pare moi pressure. Bama baringara dimoto inabo. Mama kwanza jokiwa bwana huku niambia enda usaini nitakuja kukueleza na president Ariome ndio
so imanto kumenya fact
ipo menya baba ngenda bet wamanda kwere bari yenda bet tinya nyombe kwa Nairobi ndabera bomandu yetite na kinya report ile ya yele cabinet ya mandu ya royi ndams shamiru tuchoka kanes Minister wa Roye ari wo lands nende twabeta Minister lands right now walizu home ndame ko na president wenu umetwathiru kure kono kumenyonto yegembe north kutinya singo wote river so ndamzito itasia maumau cia bangama nguyambi nicho kwa kwete ndaringira ayumbi ndabera ngubujwa appointment iteni bone bu
ikeja nao
ndam no ndotiki ndoto nai tunakyo manto tu ndabereka babu ndabera dikirini siasa ni mwimbula Meru kinya kuona barabara hii kadra dingire gifua ndo nyaru uru haitwachio ndeko rudete ngonjoni rahila andari am life rokiri every constituency here kilomita 20 natowa Ruto no president Uhuru hantuma ndari graduate ya senator twati manano twita kuona kamau tokarande to mapauti bantu ya so ndabera babu nya babu bwana mtono ndika bine dinte kumba kwaria ai dinte kwaria
yes
babu na kurema Uhuru iteni na kuri kamba kikalonso bona nirwe na ho bukorwe ne ndako kwa na tokari weta na woni kwa bete ba mugira nya kilipi bante pete kwa minister wetu no twera bona
Bakueria. Bakueria.
Kadu itu andwa. Wetu de mafikia. Minha viu mpasi o parlamento batario bonde. Mbat. Ai. Wewe mwa hapana.
No tora.
Ibwa. Huo mdeka no tora ni minister huko. Amboja.
Kocho kanyuma.
So ngekwe ndo ibari we.
No kumenya okuwa.
Ngome onkuwa. No dio challenge. Kangwire. Kinya oni ma impeachment ndo ngokura au dishonest ya. Ndakare twikirema. Njoni po. Ndindikiri. Ndahamba. Ndahamba na kesi ya viviata da cleared. Nonto bokuwa nonto bosendi. Na makezi yire kotini yatechoka iwe. Lakini kwanza no kuona ndindikiri. Bakia kiwanjende pambeta mwambare it tells you how dishonest they are.
Yes.
Bo andu ba they are onda nda shula swankingo andu beta kwa nda yube bange wako imbecha be yira bambetia no gugo. Yes, tabure mume hatia ndabe antiri tenyanduru ada di not ndabe otibo bomba tutomba kwa na mbecha for what I did not. Tia kesi yeko dira baba ndia tire nyomba nyo barumya gantu waka kunia kwenda huko.
That brings me mheshimiwa mtu no oriatire no to oito kumenya no ari supporter wa rais sana we before ginyeja 2022 na we watumirite all means and ways ako make sure ako president then no mtu ethero akuri ni mbiyo yongwe karekere between you two to an extent that daibo tumbanya kudhabakera nino to the other day ndonere bantu bakiwa no weto wangu hakuna kazi unataka na urenda gwita kibyaku no kudro pengine ungetuelezera kidogo what really happened.
You see about we me am a different person. Okay, you kwenda na can believe in your cause. I support it. Na inye kwa mwiri na nyambecha. And believed in William Ruto. Meta to menya na mwaka umwe. Said over 20 years. Tutena anything. Inya katiba campaign ya katiba ho kato achangana ira mbese to akobane de manada tu. Right? Woni aisa Ruto to atima medeni nawe to ashambecha. No kuibwa na to kathiuruka ko muno na to karara to atima to karara mwe nini. So I thought it's somebody who would understand what friendship was all about. That's when we believed in how we wanted to move this country. Nambi, and no reason not to be members of the team. Non to nyako kuya na India ku form UNDA amero na 7. To obisi na mudama inigigiri. Woni we mudama twale, you know. On 22nd September, 22nd September. Na no korigana nya leo tuko logro mno ndio ranju bilia usini ndio ushite statement ndio tukarongamia nikiwa hii nyumba mimi nitakuilia mabati yangu mwingine atakuilia mbao nini
mpaka nyumba je.
So the contrast from the beginning to believe in him bawa so tukinyona tomo support nambi nikio ndo kuiba nkiwoni kind of person who ne president no wiritu kana ndo wotwire uri askari onchera leo no kuri as president every day every morning uri ngoro the president kana kinyapo ngebara ndikira kwa tuga muntu no yabo yo mona wako twakiti mpempe orobutu kwa kemonki ari tukarangu kuhari na ndithiri urathithirie who do you think you are utondeta kwa nini yana grambecha hari how to mobilize my own resources and ask for people to support which they did so I'm only the monkey to me is a very good case you have use of the power and authority kuna rambiwa na you have use of the power and authority kuna rambiwa na leo mbira mantu ya ngikwira mantu ya Gachagua nambi and is onete Ruto akiwa antu koyere rigadi nonto na bunge nonto ndonete happened in ndarere
I advised him. Daringirwe nyumba mheshimiwa Akirima utuko mami. I mean the president is looking for you. Tamuri encho hirambi. He must talk. You know it lazima ambira wabunge wamepiga simu na ni lazima tutangaze kitu by tomorrow. Ni kwa nini wamekataa Rigathi? Wanataka nani? Kindiki. Ndabongera listen. Nangu wa buru ndamwe wachana na Kindiki. Mwekorgo. Na Kindiki. Ndamwera unajua hao watu wetu wa Mount Wangema because kule upigwa na ukabila Kenya hii. Upende usipende. Na Kindiki. Ndamwera unajua hao watu wetu wa Mount Wangema because kule upigwa na ukabila Kenya hii. Upende usipende. Sababu kule upigwa na ukabila itaenda kwa Martha Karua sababu ndio you pick him all the Kikuyu vote itaenda kwa Martha Karua sababu ndio ako na Raila and because their numbers are so critical and very important to us we need them so badala to lose kiti na serikali ni kubwa wacha tufanye nini wacha tupatie Rigathi Amburi na Meru si wataleta shinda na Amburi wa Meru gani wataleta shinda wa Meru gani hakuna Meru wataleta shinda wewe tangaza na mimi nitaanza kuongea huku nikisema vile umefanya kazi mzuri Oria Moria kiongozi ale mbunge wa Nyaki MC
Nyaki East
ndariria mareta weru na others ndare ndeyau na ndetete kuthithia kampeni igembe North na hata mani yo kanisa ndetete akiwao live feed tukarangwe that's how we overruled abunge na uranda hamwirite numbers ciakanirwe
turatonyana
lakini that was not his wish endete huu
Kindiki
turachinda lakini that was not his wish Kindiki so ini ndarere Kindiki ya president deputy president na to muthura ndamwire kanda wone numbers cio ite kutuma tuthithia atia tukuruka so katuye thirikari so no aruto no ndo ari mukora no ndo Kindiki we no ndo Kindiki aturia kiuria yes man anobwa kari on the best thing to deal with this situation katuenge Rigathi Kindiki oje
okay
if Ruto is honest he will tell you mbere woni tuma ndamwete ndamura mucetho yo ambirio cetha yo akwenda kuinga Rigathi yukareta thina Kenya na yo tuteria buru tukaumia no ndo tuterekere kaburu ndamwera here you are the man in the house wasiara muka akauma nkoma como manager for the good of the child anguwa marito yanda atumire for the good of the child ndo ane baba anake ambe uri thithia na thogomea ndo sato diplomacy na tukurutia the ministers are mo tuibwa right ibwa right so 10th December Mithika you are victim of perception 10th December was in State House tuengirwe tene ndamwira igitu aita kupea peace no tukuvo kare so uni angwire agira ngwire uni ndiwa mantu ngaworongo na nuyu komenya Kindiki ini ndamu supported the murengo wa speaker na ndarea you can go to archives of parliament because he's my brother ntimuthuire lakini kantendete muntu enda ku benefit na So respect his hand. Utombo to atuwezi mwende deputy president utiringiri kura kweli na constitutional coup ya yumbe bare imbecha uka impeach an elected deputy president. How not stand up to really go support urongo ya bweko kana that kind of mistake ere karikire, and that's why the country is in a problem.
So does it mean president no droka tumire Gachagua
ibongo endo kwera irongo amutumira kitho na jende amuta ora amuta rewende endelea na they will not succeed, and that kind of mistake ere karikire, and that's why the country is in a problem.
So does it mean president no droka tumire Gachagua asalanga
nyako kwa na kwengo cabinet and a role to play.
Okay.
Because
na nontuni indarere buru kwitikanĩria mandu ya kĩndĩ gĩtu offense.
What mimi kukirao nothing, lakini as an advisor lazima nkimwira ukwe
kuri context mbenda handu baleta unda the president no ukalimbi sindi right no to kwani what is it mimi ntone dunia na what mimi kukirao nothing, lakini as an advisor lazima nkimwira ukwe kweli nataka ndani mina muga ukona ndamumena kanda wa Meru being a strong county na inakula milioni ni kwenda mtu ina stature una convenience.
It's not about the leaders, let me tell you. The kind leaders are elected by the people. Leaders are unrespected from the people. What can get the leader? What are the Meru or how many people? No, it depends. Respect I don't pay anybody a coin. Listen, because they have respect and they know what I stand for. So Ruto haikuwa Gachagua nona yakasucceed. That is why he has this problem. Nondo atele hawa kinyaguru oraturinga na ira nambi no kuthithia atia ikuringa na network na oratukarina kwentu na history ira tuture nai neo na kindike I support them. Kindike will tell you ininda harere kidaito a leader of majority. So ntemudhuire ininda mobilize them peace that the uru the what they are leader of majority unia kidaito will tell you no to credo noe to ature ndwene na target team to tukithura uru ano to atare team ne to uru na to ayite ITV inyambere to kuringa kura na no ndari ya merera ndawa linda o majority igeta saindi yetu na to tu anoka no to tie no kafura but my man was telling me my brother kindike no dunyana ngamba ira mamba yakwa akoroka then wonu hapana muntu to mwadie which we did. I fought nyabunge but ininda ndetero madira mbele ole polos ndaba madira na kila ito wetu muhura kabisa torinyane uru nandarea uru watu era create selino majority woni na karegena sesi limbaride to tato singla rumu na to bonja plan ura create ati ai ndo majority and that represent in the morning. That is how Kindeke became leader of majority. Na so I'm going to go and tell him and Tamudura. The Nyago deputy speaker. I supported him. In fact, he's the one who was me. No Ntomporo Ambenge chairman wa MPs. I support him. Adivia ku. Ndio Kenya na pakaduri ba ndembi ndio mekenya ndari cha Meru caucus no iseneti ndi national assembly ba thithia kuba mbenga ngeye ngerwe toria ala mithika ngwa grito to karandi so ndore ko nivinire ngi ndabalula ringi so ndo aiwo ndi menyeretie so kinya to kuruka na he has never forgiven me na professor na izo ai mbunge nara in 2023 the ministers are very comfortable. Are very comfortable. Na uni. Kinya yumbi baina andwasio na yonto miankera yari nambeti na bakiru ya na baina issues. You still when being in interior akiuma kuwata some information inge na ndinya witumira not the right way. Don't I remember in na ndo okuona atu batike kuthwania kindikia ndu yana yo minyoke the wento murumo okarungama na maunto stand by what you believe ukora wirirwa ura mutonyu kwenda ya mukowe it is an abomination netumbikana. I want you to read this message kenda Meru na ndo daraka but kuwa una ndi personal problem na kindiki but I don't believe na bra umba ku aruare wa change royo message ku muneke ndike is on 23rd March 2023 to me to man don't fear kenda ingwenda Meru batake ku una ndi mutu kwa ngoro mbaya to magliale
bro please stop fighting me when the whole Kenya wanted me to be the deputy president. You and your collaborator from Dharakanidi stood with my competitor and I have an evidence. I am privy to a lot of data, including your meeting in Nanyuki a few months ago. And yesterday, a press conference by Meru MPs just left me alone to try and deliver as minister. Now that your man got the bigger seat as you had desired, don't push me to the corner. I assure you, I will not undermine your man for the 10 years he will be on that seat, and I will defend him from attacks by your political competitors. Just got the bigger seat as you had desired. Don't push me to the corner. I would appreciate more information on the alleged Nanyuki meeting and a press conference by Meru MPs, because I'm honestly not privy to a discussion preceding those incidents. I am ready for one-on-one meeting with you to clear any doubt, because your unit is important for the good of our people. Yes.
Tuikindike March and muchokaria. Nonto you see na paranoia ito paranoia no kuba aitho ane na kirundu engene kia mithika so mandu ya kareka ini ntatika na bunge na ina thikirite bonde ntakara na bunge nditubangira kindiki ai ni muru okay minister in the minister so rondo mbodi na tanto tuante muka support no gona embira woni wengwa ari Meru takwini ruare kwambia ruare ndigwera uno you see what I am saying ambandikire wengwa ambira woni na collaborate with Dharakanidi. Dharakanidi is one of them MPs in Dharakanidi. No kuiba iba ito tutenda hambi deputy president so no ndo ito amurere autocheka so can't leave as minister so bahatu to amupushi into the corner na yumbe ba Meru nambi ini iba ko bangenda bakite Nanyuki kenda baria ntare awe mahanduntiye indahurerwe kabisa na ndereta so no kuona no atura kamatete mirio yahe yawe ndamura oni kwenda muchemanyo one on one
yes
Tokile atare na narere muchemani that's why bakirima na bangenda bauri murumeri kako mantu bwari ayo Nanyuki kako press conference ayumbe bwari nyo bambire inambeti kwari nandu angacha miunda angambi ilio baishu the statement I was not aware ndabauri ni mutonyo kwe bo kwa diata history au mbira na kuiba kwira nae I private data so data kweda ka snippet on dimusianto kanambi I don't know so when I stand and say clearly unimbenda fairness kwa wana committee kwa support karigate for 10 years no turu we my man no kuiba na to wathiro kwa kugera wa hango kwethu ambi wapi no wa finance social opinion pool ambi so but since that is history athika mau duare atu support kwena yoka nile kwa komba kwa Ruto and I sent mandu yato kwariria and they come to haunt him na ndubawe na kurenya kwendumia nkwere nyingi muno si county na town imwimbo na thenya bakyo million chogeria nkaria whether they know exactly what they are talking about ntaraje mandu ntikumenya na woni tembabula apana I'm very coherent and I've been very consistent in my life in politically na rarely will you find one key contradicting so haroto kinyete mwanka dhai the UNDA is dead here ibadira cha curación iremete iba wichokra maji iremete people are being paid money nobody wants to associate with them na no ndo andu iba lose confidence mema is about trust you don't have much to do anything kinya dhai baleta baka amto baka nikwambia cha baleta baka wa one time no ndo utikiwa kuona you can't sustain loyalty na kwa antu mbia itumbeka
break mshwana ndino tuwe nikino nduku wa timu Meru. Okay professor,
you see wonder kwa in 1996 Kagwe Moi and delegation I give President Moi akiwa hawe iba kwa offended witwa Meru non tutwari na Meru North, Meru Central, Meru South na Meru Southeast bon district ya Kariu ko iboko wa Kariu. So I week ya delegation Kabarak Kawema na rewa is alive bo muite bo muri metheka na wiro ko that was thitherie bo bate kwenda moja bere sawa manto heya nini ya take quite some bit of time lakini kwa tukani ribeto daraka kindiki case is sponsored au anoka kidi ya case pro bono ya wakili eta kotini pakiwa hapo nende adaraka tia Meru right kou ibaritobo ibeto daraka na dieto ruro to Meru Southeast ile ritwe 2019 census baya wakundi yayo a community yo baridio baritirwe baya wakundi yo betwa daraka no ga kwa ile government records na data ya census ya 2019 community resi listed ya Kenya. Daraka is a community in under 220 Meru community in a 1,970,000. So but then it's only a Meru, and this is what I'm saying, when it's convenient to them. Daba kwenda atona ni kindige na support ya kura si tuchone no itariwe chawe. No, they decided to divorce us. They must live with the divorce. Kana be your own spokesman wa Meru na NJERI ko be to bachiare ringi to joge njero bakane marita ya bari nayo tutete lakini mantu wa kuthi ibarere na mantu yone yo ya Kariu na oyata chuka kire kondi ukinya ke subscribe ya ndiki chuka mwimbe batarinde ne Meru so te woni bria gen kuwa ndo ku insist you kana enda ku randu ruto hayata ikaya cyando na yanire gite Meru no ndo State House abe nyinyo mutamu kama kindeke atachuka kiti ama nini sababu niliwapatia kibi ya naibu rais so gionda abe dikana cha babu buke huwa ataraka please be told be warned bote ke to assimilate na volusi and then te ringe bura Meru badu no to merie so I'm defending your identity as the Raka people. Ntino thoku bende ibe ye woni na mbo te county on ne kanono itu e ba to make resolution to commission edive tungano na Raka Meru county na Raka nivi to ro chwa ngaba nomwe ndaro ngama ndenga bana ko ngeta mo ngaba Raka member ibo county kantu nya hadira jagari to hadira mukunga ngura so badiba kwenda uba take the risk ibe ye we have no problem.
Thank you. I kwa sana mtegelia Meru TV na mtegelia NJERI FM aingoje no komba kudro geshibirwa akati jo kika break kanini tuchokerete kagita kati kuraza nikenda tugeta na mbere na
Jumatatu hiji karibu Embu College, mahali vipaji vinageuka kuwa taaluma. Hapa tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu mwenye ujuzi unaotafutwa duniani leo. Kozi zetu ni pamoja na biashara na uhasibu, kupata msingi imara wa dunia ya fedha na biashara, uandishi, kujenga, kubuni na kuunda suluhisho za kifundi, ususi na urembo kwa ubunifu unaogusa maisha na kuongeza weledi, upishi, kuleta ujuzi wa mapishi ya kitaalamu na ladha zinazovutia, usimamizi wa utalii, kukuandaa kwa fursa katika sekta ya utalii na huduma, sayansi ya kompyuta na tehema, ambapo teknolojia ya kesho inaanza leo. Elimu ya udhibiti wa uhalifu, kuchangia usalama na ustawi wa jamii. Mhudumu wa afya, wahudumia wengine kwa uweledi na huruma. Udereva, kwa ujuzi salama na wa kuaminika barabarani. Chagua Embu College. Safari yako ya mafanikio inaanza na hatua moja. Jiunge nasi leo kwa kupiga simu 0721 152 709 ama ututembelee katika mitandao ya kijamii Facebook, Instagram na TikTok ni @Embu College. Embu College, skills to go places.
Ngagwe uri mu Kenya muchiacha na nukuria ni kiama kiriko ugatonya gukinyaniria kiroto giaku gichiacha nande kiama kia nopeo ni kirugurite mirango yakio ni undu bwaku nande no uchiandikithie no gatwika mukiama wa nopeo uri muchigo waku dial *509# na uthingatire uria umba guchiandikithia ta mukiama wa nopeo kana guchiembiria kiamene kiria uri na gitio kugweria nkoroki no uchiandikithie gukorokera eCitizen kana kiri political party portal gukorokera www.ipps.orpp.or.ke kiama kia nopeo nikio gitongeretie Meru na Kenya ngima chiandikithie narua ta mumemba kiama toriuga nopeo tupande ngazi pamoja. Jumatatu hiji tariki 16 ya Februari 2026 history igatirimana na ugambi kuma kongone ka munda jwariri kithoka nikajobwije rugono bwana igwa na buthinga taira gatu igwa ugambi bo MITHIKA LINTURI the National Organizing Secretary wa DCP akiariria Meru na Kenya ngima imwe kwa imwe kuma kithoka residents toluje jakuruka uria kuri na mukinyo juri mbere ugatugwate imwe kwa imwe kumaja kwa Meru TV na There FM kuambiriria thaa igiri cia ugoro mwanka thaa ithano cia utuko mianga tene ya NJERI wa CHEUPE ni ugoro bwa guturia uma utongeria na mwerekera jo mugongo ukenda mantu jambiriroe jo uchigirwe na uchionere gwengoa ni aja kwa Meru TV na There FM ugakorokirwa
Yasa, odi Antometo Meru County, Tharakanithi County, Isiolo County, na Kinyambu County, Ntorerio cionthe ciithire kiretie ituri bionthe bianthe bira bimagaruo nkuja na ntato sire na murio tamatanta jama sono jagi empeke auki atia gwe ukwenda kwethira wina mantu ukwenda kumenyithia ntu nukwenda track kana ngare arudishu aja ni oturi ni nini wewe areri antora ndongo na ndongo anto bakwigwe warie tankongi maugene atiri gwakwenda kugire skuru yaku gwakwenda kuthia road show kana kiaba kira kionde kwenda sauti yenene atiri aja tuli na ngare ya road show ira tugukunenkera na maguri jara kuguna mukojo waku na kinyawenda tukwajania mona mugi kana na MC sound irere aja nirete onekete kaire kuma ndiguro rombo kuma gitara baroti ko ye gitara banumo ngagocoka kwa Jesu runguru eria igoro na matuna kinyamanga nyoni na ndenjo mo gutoneka engeta eje Limo namba 0725 170 744 uthirogisi gwatira ngari yaku ya road show na kinyoke ya kuthawe na kiatho aunja ni otorito ra kwena goe taritho na gutu nini wewe turekane.
You can read about it in the Daily Express.
Karibu Embu College, mahali vipaji vinageuka kuwa taaluma. Hapa tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu mwenye ujuzi unaotafutwa duniani leo. Kosi zetu ni pamoja na biashara na uhasibu, kupata msingi imara wa dunia ya fedha na biashara, uandishi, kujenga, kubuni na kuunda suluhisho za kifundi, ususi na urembo kwa ubunifu unaogusa maisha na kuongeza uelendi, upishi, kuleta ujuzi wa mapishi ya kitaalamu na ladha zinazovutia, usimamizi wa utalii, kukuandaa kwa fursa katika sekta ya utalii na huduma, sayansi ya kompyuta na tehema ambapo teknolojia ya kesho inaanza leo, elimu ya udhibiti wa uhalifu, kuchangia usalama na ustawi wa jamii, mhudumu wa afya, wahudumia wengine kwa uelendi na huruma, udereva kwa ujuzi salama na wa kuaminika barabarani. Chagua Embu College. Safari yako ya mafanikio inaanza na hatua moja. Jiunge nasi leo kwa kupiga simu 0721 152 709 ama ututembelee katika mitandao ya kijamii Facebook, Instagram na TikTok ni @Embu College. Embu College, skills to go places.
Ngagwe uri mu Kenya muchiacha na nukuria ni kiama kiriko ugatonya gukinyaniria kiroto giaku gichiacha nande kiama kia nopeo ni kirugurite mirango yakio ni undu bwaku nande no uchiandikithie no gatwika mukiama wa nopeo uri muchigo waku dial *509# na uthingatire uria umba guchiandikithia ta mukiama wa nopeo kana guchiembiria kiamene kiria uri na gitio kugweria nkoroki no uchiandikithie gukorokera eCitizen kana kiri political party portal gukorokera www.ipps.orpp.or.ke kiama kia nopeo nikio gitongeretie Meru na Kenya ngima chiandikithie narua ta mumemba kiama toriuga nopeo tupande ngazi pamoja. Jumatatu hiji tariki 16 cia Februari 2026 histori igatirimana na ugambi kuma kongone ka munda jwariri kithoka ni kajubuije rugono bwana igwa na buthingataira gatu igwa ugambi bo Mithika Linturi the National Organizing Secretary wa DCP akiariria Meru na Kenya ngima imwe kwa imwe kuma kithoka residents toluje jakuruka uria kuri na mukinyo juri mbere ugatugwate imwe kwa imwe kuma ja kwa Meru TV na There FM kwambiriria thaa igiri cia ugoro mwanka thaa ithano cia utuko mianga tene ya NJERI wa CHEUPE ni ugoro bwa guturia uma utongeria na mwerekera jo mugongo ukenda mantu jamberirwe jo uchigirwe na uchionere gwengwa ni aja kwa Meru TV na There FM ugakorokirwa.
Yes, odi anto Meru County Tharaka Nithi County Isiolo County na Kinyambu County ntorerio cionthe ciithirio kiretie ituri bionthe bianthe bira bimagaruo nkuja na ntato sire na murio tamatanta jamasono jagi empeke uki atia we ukwenda kwethira wina mantu ukwenda kumenyithia antu nukwenda track kana ngare ya rudishu aja ni oturi nini wewe areria antora ndongo na ndongo antu bakwigwe warie tankongi maugene atiri gwa kwenda kugire skuru yaku gwa kwenda kuthia road show kana kiatho kira kionthe kwenda sauti yenene atiri aja tuli na ngare ya road show ira tugukunenkera na maguri jara kuguna muko jo waku na kinyawenda tukwajania mona mugi kana na MC sound irere aja nirete onekete kaire kuma ndiguro rombo kuma gitara baroti ko ye gitara banumo ngagucoka kwa Jesu runguru eria igurura matu na kinyamanga nyoni na ndenjo mo gutoneka engeta eje Thimo namba 0725 170 744 uthirogisi gwatira ngari yaku ya road show na kinyoke ya kuthawe na kiatho aunja ni oturi turakwe nagwe taritho na gutu nini wewe turekane.
You can read about it in the Daily Express.
Nijino waraniri no bichichia Meru TV na There FM ukaigwa kore no ntobote okugweria kuma kire programu ire igwetaruone na ndi no utume maoni yaku gukorokera email yetu iria ni merutvcomplaincenter@gmail.com kana uturingire thimu gukorokera 0114 190 962 Meru TV kionere mwanya.
Muthikiri wa There FM tuchokera ringi nikenda tutana mbere na rwariro turantu kwenarua inkwenda ukethera kwikiuria wina kiao kwenda kwithirwa kiuria captain no withirwa kimuria gukurukira nambe with screen neku ya 0714 349788 na kinya rutero Facebook Meru TV Kenya, rutero YouTube Meru TV Kenya na kinya rutero Go Live Africa Meru TV Kenya na bila shaka tuketana mbere kutha tukiwata SMS ya chienu na we jorikane ini Rumuri Extra mutegeri ira tuthire tukithiria antu kwenarua kenda tumba kwithira tukiaraniria na captain Wengwa tuibuge bwake bura kuga na saidie we story hora matujithiritwe ya gikaro na kinya yara yethiritwe ya kiurune antu ni kiendo chopia biure bionthe omba kwithirwa kielethia antu ora matujithiritwe ya gita kwa karibu sana hatete na mbere kwithirwa tukiaraniria ndachoka rukenera SMS kidogo rutero Facebook kuna mtu kumbira URETERI Arimbirati and the dairy farmers in Meru County have been complaining about low prices. When you are the CS, what policy changes did you implement to stabilize this sector? nguthikio no tokerie kana kithako ikiwe na kioke kuongera ni sawa. Kuna mtu gwitwa Masi DCP mbona hawajajitokeza oposa wa huyu mungwana utatuira agethro agitwira kinyani no kweno muri kiuria kiu. Tuko live ask Linturi mbona anaimba one time then arimbira Mithika fongama na 2027 mtu wetu Muthoni, big up tu sana na nikubali for Mira Farmers when he was a CS for the agriculture. Mheshimiwa Tikeno kunote. Yes, kuna kiukia Mira. Akiukia ngika nini no arere. Then kuna mtu wetu kanata boda ndarene. Good evening, kiadharia Mithika sana. Uliza yeye kama atatupea support kwa Mheshimiwa Kadhuri Murungi. Mithika akiambiwa akuje alikuwa UDA na kanata kumarutere. Okay, adukethro kaba wati kusupport Kadhuri na ntumbere ne wari UDA kenara pengine no tokere na gwete na kwenda giti
unjoke.
Yes no mtokeria pengine then kuna mtukumbira so that we Marians we can support him. Okay, hiyo pia utajibu mwesh. Hello. Okay, sawa. Please wadinga thimo mekishua ukuringa thimo no kwaria ukadinga thimo alafu choko ukira tafadhali. Then kuna mtukumbira bodiria Mithika kethira antu bara bonde andikithitie na bara bombite kwithirwa batite ne thai baririkana baritiro itene no ntu bakwithirwa bate kumba ngugi ira bai bethirwa bakirita. Is it true that they were
And what they're talking about, right? I cannot you can't also not generalize ukiwa abantu wengine bonde no ndu wengine department moja kwa pointoa ibachekete na kona ne antu bakumba ntuwe dikia oroba buta khawire ko ntuwe mwathithiria preso in the contract wala wita so kangwa ndo mwira rato karire mantu ya trivialize mauntu no ntuwa wita no ntuwa tene nyako kulu ya ntuwa ura what the terms of few are terms of reference kana criteria ya kwa assessment yo. So let us be more serious kimantu nonto reato kuhareria tuwe for example kwenga antu betu it's a very weighty matter na ngeda nkiwa I participated in the appointment so I know what I'm talking about. So and more for example Pereira was the last casualty Ayumbe na ngabana na everybody was arrested on Tuesday ibo ba request le kwa we akiro ibo watanileta Mithika nibe kiteke ba Meru town yakaba kubanga pa does that constitute incompetence? Kangwe cha Meru ya na wanonto no about political loyalty. It can't happen. So muntu na style up to kuri debate yero tu na content to kama nbitu kwaya no ndo antu bamwe ibe bawe cha mauntu yabangwira kansene ronantu baita bakari wasiringi ngiri mwe kama atano ukaluma mutonga eri okumya bwakua right na iwakurwira muntu wo kurwira no wo kwenda kuthiria tema nteu so ambere onto no ntu issue onto ya miranga first of all, it was not my interest to stabilize the Mira sector. Mira sector, na bia mithukiria saindi. Ichiasa ya tonyerwe muno na ndari na strategy yo mibwithia. Non tukinya kwa pointi afa chair, afa CEO na directorate. Ekuthithia directorate ya Mira within afa. na kuthura director wapa etwa Nkangu yari kuhakikisha kuma ndeni mwankero mira ena nutambuliwa kiviato na kwe muntu mithiatira na mshura budget ndona what mira kutari na onda kenda tumenya ku control business nde ya sheria woni ningwa nde kia bunge ndasukumana kuruka kenda tuina different licenses cia mira cia babo export ba upaki ba transport na ambi na sheria yokuruka ni kenda tumburinga about onda tumeo tumba export mira uti license tumeo tumba kwa transporter na to register inyarimi bameka ibao.
Hello
Jerry.
Yes Dan
Mbere manke veria
kuigua
le mwire mbere maito muthikirite bwega buru na ito kuona uria akwerezera Meru na kubaitana na njira yagirite na Meru bakerewa no mwire turi Meru ito kumuthikira na ito kuigua ni ate akuga na inye evidence iria kunenkanira ito kuona kuwa kwaria sense na tukona uko tuko kerewa na ndi mwire turi Meru twi ito mutia mbere ma twita Meru tawe munene wetu wa Meru twe kimping wetu Meru na mugambi o Meru no nandikire ukamwira ukambirira we gintu kia mbere batu turi Meru itukuona uria kuthithia na twagwirwo umbati itukuromba nagerie na support mutuma nonto nandi twita Meru akambiria kwaria akina ya mutuma akambira kuina Meru gucoka arere kare CHEUPE na MITHIKA LINTURI nwetegemeo yetu Meru na arikiriro MUGENI njuri ncheke Meru ituko expect atukariria mutuma 2020 kumadai nonka 2027 na inya 2027 gwatuika gukombekana na imizi gukombekana kiriwe itukuromba akijekerewe mutuma nontoraia na nusu mboburu azikinya kamboburu kaukangi wa CHEUPE nontore
thank you Dan
nusu mboburu azikinya kamboburu kaukangi wa CHEUPE nontore
thank you Dan
wa mwisho ni atere wa CHEUPE kira gitumio kuanjira captain wetu atu support mutuma ngavana wetu wa Meru akwe manto at least akromba ki national government na at least ekaribia
okay
na CHEUPE akwenda kuwa kimwe ukona kinga na mutuma ki gitari wa karetine mwaka jumwa wa CHEUPE watega inyava kwa koromone ni rekiriro milioni 1.2 milioni orindi chiro cia kuthithia thoko ya koromone
asante
watega wa CHEUPE inyukethera tikingi sibitari ezi wa ikiri mbezi wakwa 1 billion inyokethera tikingi mutumaka inera kiu tukona kira tukuona aja Meru by 2027 twathugania ungi uria captain yakethera twira indi itumurire
Thank you bwana Dan ingutikia sibitari no ariririe mheshimiwa tutiko nindi kutoka ukaire but ntikumeomba kuwata
I think Meru but thikirite and I like conversation long time untapote thirikari county uretwire wita mbuite tika kwendia imbi na mutuma arakinyite 2 weeks ago twari nwe mathikone mutwati ndaria story cia kwa nambi ndikwaria story na clip ira anombikire na ndera ndutirwa mutuma tukawatanira twari tumenye lakini problem irerio karo 2 term ndo 1 term so we have a serious problem in terms of ideology in terms of what we believe in no ntuwe arona kachungu nwe mutethia wawe na nkiwa unomburaide so as a brother if you are standing na muntu omburaide na ngukuona ngukwiro kurema kuibwa then tetera Meru beto
tewa irinyene so nandawa we can talk at the appropriate time bro wire kawire to isotanira out in the bene ni wo wire kiathone kiku kiathone kiu ndakira twati manake athone ambari nani twati manake athone kia presenting bishop last Sunday damuda mutuma wona ata we have to sit down nondo njirera kuona twitanitie Meru twitanitie nai nio Meru inkwirire ya maingite hinya Meru twairi tweta tutam kana tweta one tam nondo ngwatanire Meru nio interest yakwa nenya twigusukuma ukinya wanga bana na support ikiokia Meru ni mithika ndari akyo timantu amaingi so ambira we mithika no kwaria abwa kadutimane ntuku ya Jumaine so totimana ntuku ya totimana Jumaine akauma Meru ambira ngeta mali ruyo no ntukwina CS wo stima wandai Meru so nkadia manto nanchokere nanchoke Jumaine tona neogoro at around 6 nankaya kure mochoka Jumatano I must be in Nairobi so ngakudidi atia ngauswa ndamba unget around Thursday ko tafadhali where you call me you walk on in Nairobi I'm doing my own things twathiana my brother uko CHEUPE na Meru bandikirete ngwere I don't like compare evidence ko kinya ntuku ya Jumaine kwa kinya Jumaine 6:30 nontu imuntu munene na mbi atanchwa atambira kwa tukonana unia I decided kuwa no mombisi kwa dhani ngurukie kwa kande mochwe ndamuringira thimu kwa Jumaine kwa Jumaine 6:30 hare akuoya ndewa kaimbisi on Wednesday kande mwetere no tukuwengi tuwanirite kathithia kuona ino atachokerie nani bebte okiri ndamuringira thimu hare akuoya ose Wednesday 10:38 ndamuringira thimu hare akuoya kwa kinya daithita ndeka 15 thomera Meru buranda mwandikire.
Hi, just in case you have forgotten and you don't want to pick my calls, we had agreed to meet today in Nairobi for the purposes of planning my time. Let me know whether you have changed your mind and then I can move on.
So ndo kwa manto abwiri kwareria na mbino ndakura kwa thimu tukuyire ndamurende kwa thako kwa chinjirie mind tutibwiri kuona na kana tutona na mbera no ndutande aindula kena mbanya kuibanganya na mbedelea na mantu yakwa atachokerie message 12:15 on Thursday rukiri 8:41 ilio ndaumite Meru Nairobi mbiyete Meru Thursday 8:41 thomera Meru message randa mwandikire.
Morning, Counter texted you yesterday following up on our earlier discussion. I'm leaving Nairobi now, coming to Meru, and I expect to see you later in the evening.
Message itachokwere mbere nenge atachokwa on the same day gokinya utuku ukona voice call ya thaire kamili no ntungukinya Meru ndaringa thimu na ari akoya so kana kuonia
Yes.
mutumana nenere muno atumba kuya thimu ya Mithika atumba kumbuchwa utibombo mwa device atumba kuria anything so atekome yatwariritie tutomba kwaria and in pressure mbira one or two things and as a brother and we also need to cancel him ationa no opportunity ndio tikoya kambona kandi mbega uto muromba woni kanambi I don't know so
bwana ndani kwa thera nthikirite uraumbira support inaokinyite na umare TV ne yere amiru ni mwa kwanga bana kwa ntamu support na kwa thera amiru baba nthikirite kurio baibangita ngiru yana we aini so ne muno no kando na dwareki weru TV atumite karute anchokeria karute you am sorry karute monthly you unboxing above your weight. I'm not at your level. Please, you have no capacity to comprehend nyamanto ya ukuhaleria. Kwa thene ne ngaranji cia kukwenda si kwangari ithithwa kana ithiro ngaranya nataka kuyewe mechanic. So we come and defend commercial interests yaku. Please, I need deserve respect. Utibamke bamba inbote ko. Angeri anything. Anankiwa ende otomirwa mantile no oni anchogeria kiuria you know gonye no ndimini so muntu robweri onchogeria brankuwa mutuma himself ndo mutuma tutuete kwaranira is my brother mitend na naiye ande muritete ukinyagai ntekwitha sirongo kwera na vikinyao I can even tell you mande kinya you know though can anything it's because we want to have an honest conversation. Yes. Kinya buruna nteka kuita no ndoni I've done my best. Indu metenya mukuru kira itokiwe. Yes. Ngamore we need to talk and bakwarie MBCD. So kinya ga inkwero and support ane ndombo support mediocrity. Ndombo support the anto level and batene shima. Right? Yes. Na tegwa no ndo to support county kana ambi nteko require consent enda uria kiuria ntebwiri uchokerwa you know. Yes. So whether ntawa tekuri tinya ndatangazi kwenda kurombe tekengavana ndire binkuru mutuma then why people thinking ine kuranwe so no bwiri ku improve PR akame antu bako yera thimu na batyo yera no ntoni ende ntemo chwaringe and I will never call him Buru, I will never call him. Tiandingerare, I will never call him.
Hello. Yes. Kabisa.
Ndare mambo ya kugere ndo showe to kare mutuma. Makenda bati kuja showe ariwe. Wajero kaigwa extend wa showe ne. Akore kaigwa there is a lot of government in opposition. Tumutuma ndio kwa Meru kulingana na mheshimiwa mchana hiyo kwa Meru mwana maiji chota mutuma tumutuma vikari kwa ndio kwa mchora teka mutuma kastondi wa Meru kwa sababu ndio mwanzo yetu
Okay. Unity. The custodian of unity Meru. Thank you. Ibeka sana bwana Kanyata. Thank you. Ariwa ka kurigana nate o chwa mutuma igitaru rionde. Nataka studio ni Meru. Ibeka sana te utebuka kauga.
Comment kana ndemu litana no tunya wewe. Kanyata ndikira nkwire. Ndo nwanto komenya na kangu an example kwethera wa fit kwa explanation watu turatongeria na uga Meru kona kinyite kuri antu bari nyuma yo kwanika Meru ikinyeri. Some of us don't lose hope that very fast. Na nyoka da muka uwe na uri kwa thura na muka no ntu wa night umwinge na we nana ukona thina muno mechene no ntu pain kana effect cia andwa na mandivosi ni nyingi muno kiriwe na kiriana. So oge agutweka ukaibengo chwa mutuma ndichwa mutuma no ntu kerere kirake ari kunande na pain ni ututenda kumiona icho Meru ringi na tuenda kuona butumba kumanage peace labo wita peace ileo mwanga ntukuika dija antu baita in election so kangwa ya mukuru Meru na nkemenya ngwira nditete uni there is nobody and I don't want to be challenged by anyone behind the works to stabilize county ya Meru ngurugia Mithika Linturi. I did it baba ye uria county assembly uria bagreto mulunge uria everybody else nenya kawera no bacho atwa na gwera that way and arachia I need a lot to make sure that there is peace in Meru, and that is what I would want to see. And I will take Ginyade Kim Hantone Nankaua only as long as Inkuyanan and the Kuna Panjinigua. He has no idea. So where you are entitled to your own opinion to tend to another siasa kanambi, but 1 year is a very long time. So endelea kuriara wo kuriara no tunyeno bon kuriara na ta mumba ko chwa mutuma ungaringa dimu akare akoya na kamwandikira akare ochokia ibiongo gwera angu ekabwera no tumenya kambiria kuria sioria because I ask them no kwatante kuona kuwera re tonka ya TV ne ko huira kukunge no boto era uru no ndukure motona zitauzi katokura TV ne so it is one business ende kinyama ndio kuona na sisi bakiringa kerere bagiwa strike na mando inda yeye last week okay inda yeye mbi all last week nenyenge mojwa muno tukwa na kelele antu ibakurandwa no kuba inyinge muno antu bana a lot of expectations na mbi ingo moria for example antu ibakweta nyakine ne andrax na tiania wakito banyama uninspected meat I want to know no tumba kwa ride nani mumurumari wowe mbanjeti baiba kurite ngwe ni onto anto ba kwa ba ni mirimo ya anthrax yet you have managed to employ inspectors. I have a responsibility. Yes. Rina kia ogambi Meru. Rina kia okakuria tre babwe buge utanara na MC Health Center angai go kara already 20 hospitals ni ingi mirango ndene county ya Meru 20 no ndo ila sina maternity na others. So how do you close some and yet no tokerura ngambi ukerura haingi so manda you see vokiara jendene you can understand, you can also advise. You don't have to be called experience and leadership netonete mantu ya maingi so ukera ito mucho atwari na umuri murumi na tandreberwe kanyakine kana ukari sitari kuingwa 20 what is happening don't them look utomba watakurwa na public service mbundi throughout no ndio mando kadivya kwa kawira na mistake compromise case ile wena baba kuandikira ndura ukwenda no ndu period ndio kadira August you get the time na ngoja kwirito we umo wambere ku move county utakadira ata to bring county to a stop no things must be done. Yes. It's wisdom. So to mbere ndo mbere nganganga kwa karwa
at the right time tukahariria mantu yebu so ntekwahariria no ndo anything else. It is because I want Meru ithena mantu yame amea nindi plairo ne antu na akiri ti dolombo no.
Hello. Hey. No gringa.
Hello, no muere muduri umagale.
Tu eres muduri.
Ajeni kami muera mwalimu wa bwana kwa mama. Wani umegale. Wa hivi ndio. Wa. Na nyana unagale kuni unagale. Asi ngoma ngile hapo ndio ndio yake yote. Na watu kwa afua zote ile kwa aika. Mwere tulimwambia
kabisa.
Kabisa kwa vile vile.
Thank you sana Muduri.
Na mwere watu wanaga sana kwa ila na kiki na vile na hapo wenda.
Nabo ni green lights. Asante. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Baga sana Muduri ngotikia kushukuru mheshimiwa na kuiro na kupigwa. Okay, watu wamepiga simu. Hello. Okay, sawa. Wani mtu tafadhali make sure uko bebera karibu na TV yako kana kamera yako. Ndio tumo kidogo tukiwatangaza. Mheshimiwa kulikia makia district. Kabisa hivyo director na nini haraka sana, popularity haraka sana. Lakini at the same time hivyo kurogotena agenda. Nonto aborerwa ona nini mtureko kuleta candidate wa presidential candidate bokawa bando butekwenda kuwa dai mapema. Aboro mwe mantata ni kulita president yoro likudai. So antu bakuwa kama tena agenda kana ni mchezo ngoje ukarika mwisho.
CHEUPE ndi irana wa katiba constitution. Na baba mbiliwa in constitutionalism and constitutional order. Na ba faithful to it baritangu inayo. So right now we are trying to pick Kenyans of like minds. Bato mbako discuss bato kamya how do we reform the education sector? Tukwanda tumenyendekenda to bring education na equality ya access, equal access to education. We must speak different minds. Tukienda kusort out the road sector and insurance lazima tutuna good time. Our party is around 18 months old. Tutaria na nyamuno na ingini tuiruku. We want to bring everyone on board so that everyone is no one is left behind. The one common thing ke kwando watakuwa tenyeriku Kenya ibakumia by napin. So once we have brought people that we think have the kana baina kiao kia Mkenya, then we will ask ourselves agenda of course ni anjunde tu kwenda kureform kithomo kenda muntu umashukuru kwa ina aeta akathoma atutwabisi atutakorombwa basari anyway because we have enough money to fund education thina ni mbecha tukubangirwa boya kwa tukandu baturo tulia maruke ya yumbe kima MCA kingabana mbi. This must come to a stop. So we have an now to reform the education sector. Katuta medida refine man to the we have issues to do with food security. No, do not want to choke them parent. We have to put our minds and how to do it. Infrastructure, stabilization of the economy. We know what we need to, but we must also take Kenyans through. Kenda baumba kura baomba kuleta maoni yoke. Number one, for us to be able to solve the problem in the education sector, Ruto must go. For us to be able to sort the she and nonsense brought about William Ruto must go. For us to stop abductions and killings of our young sons, our young men and women in this country, Ruto must go. So, agenda number one known to his answer horror. Nambi. For us to restore the economy of the country, for us to make sure, right, meritocracy is wanted, Ruto must go. So, hii ngechi yonde nyogenda kuthithia ati Ruto president kutumbika. So our agenda, Ruto has to go home. This other one we have to discuss with Kenyans once he's out. So want to what to agenda. To agenda, we know what we want to do.
Okay. Anthony Bakwa pengine no kudhuru iko kona kana
presidential candidate tu niwe.
Iko kona
tatu tenda we. We will give you one.
Yes, iko kona kana confusion mheshimiwa. Na ntiko kuelekana mbele ya Matiani Yomau za Kalonzo Mau gijiwe ngono gete somehow of which I don't know kedano kutuari depende lakini no gete na kono no the fit person umba ukalira gete kina na Mauru Joderi at the same time kalua ara na rari Meru mwabara ikiria mpaka kudogani pengine ya kaki insumit kinyawa kedari gete na kina kwa gete kiu so I don't know pengine kile antubabo ndio tubonda na capability tuko make criteria reko kuketa gutumira kutara ka presidential candidate reko kuketa bukirungamia in 2027
CHEUPE Meru Kirawa, before you get your prince you have to kiss many frogs. So kinyaba utumbele tu URETERI lazima tuikanie nyomba pana pale tulingane tumenye no mtumbo wa community tempe MITHIKA na dito mongera kama igenchera no mtu omba kukurwa off in a boardroom, of course with the respect that you deserve for the president and the office, accommodative enough. So we tulenda kuneka muntu properly baked. Muntu kumenya akamea karumwa na tiurana. Muntu ai level ya kiwango kwa kumenya atitura milele. And for that matter, he doesn't have to steal for him to live comfortably. He can only invest his energy and time to make Kenya a better country for our future generation, for our children. Muntu buri kumenya hii miaka ngokinya 70, right? Ka 60. Hey, ana baba kona ana bana bakwari, what country do they want? Muntu so ngirinde that everything arenda kwa mass everything na to care. So kato tukwa na kumeki mantu speed na haraka kutuika tuka make a mistake. So please give us time. Kutenda problem. Then guarantee I can give you because I sit there. Then we will give this country a one candidate. Now that one candidate you will support him. Na candidate yura tukavangania he must stroke. I foresee a Kibake moment ya 202 kile election iliku into the 2027. So kankaromba kianto by patient wasiwe na wasiwasi.
Okay. What with the rumors ile kulikana na rumors na ntuma tujarari nyaka 13 kulikana President William Ruto no ufad kiama kia ODM kinya NSC barari no iko kutendeza kinya delegate tendeza to bano no betu ba kira 15 million na beti tionde tumetaka mtine ya ODM umete kuma rutere ne rwa rais akiendwa ni ma ubako no ufad kiama kia. Don't you think you can compromise and to ban on to no kona kinyara ba security mo kada imu ya kaba ba mwetikiri tio one work president wetu no to bali wake tikira ba konde KDP
ende yo the ya buthoma ngathitini oran kuthoma to me ndante member ODM yes until the links nabo nantije. So what I can do is only make a general comment an analysis of the situation as is because I don't have the facts. But if whatever is being said is the truth, then kukenda a serious problem ODM known to those that believe in democracy na bakwenda haki bateri yaguo so ikathukana. And I think that's why you can see Oburu Sendira Sifuna Orengo na baba ngine because they are reformists
Sasa ndo compromise na mbecha bahikando so kwina potential ekwathukana na no ndunkubathikira na we must condemn police brutality on them wakiwa one time. It means we are likely to benefit from the split irereo which will be good for us, and it's a clear show that Kosongo is going home. Onto nare ne the ODM ya mutethia itimutethia kana nyabra kona bakaya few so ODM no better na ina certificate but wanachama wenyewe waachwe na wengine. Na secondly likelihood ya Ruto kuthikira nontu no ikacie nio siviewe nontu baronete au mbakoya mundu aba munengra charani mate nontu nako tonya ko ya western Uganda na Njaluo na Nara. So kindiki is not safe. It's not safe. Na idio ndo ona ngira yumbe ba kinya kindiki are ya yumbe beto mutetera yonto kamtu kambu karengero ambete babangi shilingi ngiri 20 waetakuwa babu buko ni Ruto abo mwira ate mutama mukiamata musimu asubuhi. Yeah, it doesn't need your advice. Ninyo karinga kura nao tia miro bainawe ikilomo tu bainara because of short term gains. So kindiki doesn't hand value ki Ruto political arithmetics. In fact, in the Amwere, like 6 or 4 months ago, the best thing for him now we prepare. Buraka didata akamanenji mantu ya lakini no kwashwe ya uya tekarika no kuona ODM yumarire hora agedi manda iteke na Ruto wengo na bere State House because I'm privy to that discussion. Abere babuburi indabona nkende bitu president. If you retain ibaho atuma na batu we have discussions with the ODM. The only seat that is not negotiable near president. You being beyond the Odino to negotiate with the so it's not lucky. But kini on the month yetu waendelea na mambo yao. Yes.
Lakini kuna rumors kwamba Sifuna na Ziterero hivyo kuna likelihood ya
bado tukabe big tukona ndo wengi mno behite kibauti. About organize, I'm sure mwisho ni mbele pale tukamiti na tukaungana proper. Yes. Ndio nda kuira I foresee a kibaki moment in 2027. Yes.
Okay.
Na hivyo ndo kuira Meru itu idurane we need to know where we are. To think where in the current leadership. What I mean jipange na wa Meru. Okay. Kenda wita mbele tumenye na Meru bakara. Meru madikone ya mwekuru Morocco ngabana na garindeo na for MPs ndabera bahabwe no ndibwe na opportunity that I will be obisine. I am ready to have a meeting with you later eteni atongeria baba ikunya baba kuthara uya Mithika tukarende tumbenya twetete 2 term ka 1 term. You need to convince me because ndogra uni kwa ile na kina interest kiuni kikura milioni imwe break make sense. No ndoko kira milioni kure mo wewe tukanekira kura sieto then he becomes president. Lakini babonde utio kwenda that candidate discussion ni wetu wa State House ukanengora ngidi bapte ugero thani bukabange kura cha UNDA which died ne dego nando bate wita county government ikamobilize mbesa ikareanto eta ku recruit through officers county bawonde administrators ati kuchwa kwandikithianto kwa members. That is not responsibility. No ke aguri hanto amburi na to supportana utiombo mbere ndi kwa to county government of Meru ni ku recruit for UNDA as a party na ngwata that information mereka kabu yukira. That's not the responsibility of the governor and the county administration. No, ingwe kiama and they're not even members of that party. And you see, Kiharia, Sharia, let me advise him. Sharia, okay, clearly. Okay, they're all independent.
na waza associate na kiama fulani undima wa we could defect to that party if you are elected as an independent. Right?
Yes.
Nyo sharia. So kinya jambo na for example ngabane egeri matai ya yundi ekirete akarinde is a display of ignorance of the law which is not in defense. No, to if Meru was as proper activist Saki Siasa, you file a petition in court to declare his position vacant. Yes, na demo kiama na badhuri bare independent. Yes. Badhuri bare independent. Yes. So it's an independent governor. To wikacho kiamene kinda kukabweri kwitha waiti akaichira agi but you see and wanda want to go kwera bonde rais kama Mungu odego wathakanyasa any written law nangwire nambere nyayumbe ngitunga yetu sheria anything erokwathiria against the constitution tafadhali you will be answerable. Yeah, don't do anything illegal. Don't know the president. The only man that did it illegal. Ruto had to continue. But because I was clear in my mind, Kenya imbe adide mandu ya tekadi na nongo thomere nya yangia kitu mahiro angira wa eta oite munda yo NDC unankana university and I refused. Barua idea ndondo. You people do not understand. Kana Meru batekuelewa conditions ila mithika kana baba ange baritangwe kyo ndo gwera kinyonto kinyama CS baba ikuo kana ma PS, they have to be very careful. Yeah. So lirangu kinya mandu yako happen. Yeah. Iba kinya mandu yako happen. Kenya in the counties, there is no county officer who is supposed to do anything that is illegal. And to be man buringana pra sheria ekuwa nonto utemba kueta kuwa udiriaja ukawa. You know, even the constitution you was here, you ha udiriaja. The presidential directive. I want you to read these people. No corner. You met a Felix Water. I refuse to do it. Like you don't have a problem. Directly 20th in June 2024. The man, good morning was it. Let the Meros know what I went through. And they go with the nano militao. And umechika watakuwa watabu yes. Let me show you something. Meru must know this one in black. So mayo
he has directed.
No, good morning what? Roma yonde.
He has directed that.
No. You read the right message. T-E. H-E.
Oh, H-E.
Yes, that is His Excellency.
Okay. It's directed that 200 acres of ADC land in Garissa to be released to Garissa University immediately. Proceed to activate the progress. We'll get an official communication at the course of the day.
So amaneko ambira kwa yana munda ya NDC ke Garissa University immediately. You want me to act on such instructions?
So you refused? You refused?
I refuse.
Okay. So to get on that notion, mheshimiwa no kutuke kulingana na condition ile kuonekana kana kuijira urantu ba waki na pressure na authority kuma buntu mwanya could it be kinyambe be my MP babe atobukuwa ni ba yes sir no go through kinyapaba in the same condition that
the never na bautui they know when about it. Me I will stand up and say I will not do it. Right?
Yes.
I will not
Do it.
I will not do it. Nankarea. The only difference yengi niyo unombuto epo batibutika. So you are very stronger than me. Non batibuto na constitutional architecture. Yetu. Yetu. Yari ku defend yabunge batakabutike. So kabiribwa nambi. So I can also tell you, no tumba kwa mando, but I've just given just examples. No to nyanda ogera rokere wati manto jeba butro ngwed katangu for example we see virus wangika chandene Meru hari mumembo kombondi operetram abutro ntoretwe na ngaseti notesi yandeki mithika ini mubutete na mande baada wakwa na mweti bakiwa ito muntu ukewa mwinga lakini Friday mtu nengirwe tuse mumango ringanizwa na ndu ba Meru hata hand to protest netanda wapana it cannot happen nankawa na barua deinda ndege ngete ta complain nankiwa mandu ya yata yatumbikana so nanda ndege nyanga printer kenda amba information no wakosere kana yana instructions ngo aziti mundu na lidora wante yana instructions igyo nungu kwira kadhuri nando baba kwa dinabu tiyiruto kumumanya I worked with him as a minister. Please, that's a no-go zone. So nyabo mbini baiti yoto wa thirikari ngwa thirikari riku why you are seen as a follower otumba ku otumbo te ya ndwenu I am not ready, I am not available, I have no price. No, let me work with other minded Kenyans tumeboto atithiambi na ntumba wita kana umchinji ya brankari no ntumba mbecha I can't. Let me live let me die on my knees than live on my feet. Yes kabisa.
Okay, antu bakuria mheshimiwa no kuthire pengine kitingira kuthire tebukithigata ligathika chako the former DP we ati kwenda giti lakini antu bakuria lakini nimbi target kana interest we yongo ni bila kuiba kuwa odai tayari kuna negotiations na kwenda kuthira kitoka thirikari demand ya itameti ya kwa document no kama bakuiba
na ni CHEUPE ntekwenda to village show to tasho mbiamno antu abo onde bakwaria no have no I have very little capacity to comprehend how to meet government kana kuthwana na unti level na kudiscuss propaganda na wantu bakua no pati yakachagwa pati bantu bakwaria na pati imethika no kuba conditions iriko nonsense conditions we kwa TV na kwa kwembara zinto murume are you a lesser man? No. We are very proud. We are there to defend the pride of men. Bautu ene shima letu because trikari tu tuachwele. Demand go demand yambi. Money they have offered. We have refused. Yes. Kenya bumenye. Tembese that's more coins. Yes.
So binyantu bakubani no choke nyaki trikari tumbato.
Wono choke wonkanyuko. Atuenji. Interest siasa ni interest siasa the personal that is what you need to know na Mungu nantete I have what I need in my life. Yes. So but I'm not comfortable when every time antiboundingira lakini okaira kana ngetumero message kana si antu baisanga hospitali I was in Kego yesterday. Tukanije ne wantu barungamire ubakiwa baba yitwe and look for money. Muntu ngitano nini. It's painful. Kana kona message jantu bakiwa kwa mpara. Yes, we have not eaten food. That is my problem. No, to me I can afford my food. But you see, kinyoke dore nja. And wabo on them in the neighborhood by Nampara. Ukambiri wa Kenya mao. They will break your gate. That's what I'm talking about. So antu barekana na story. Babo anatiate everybody has a price in becha. Nonsense. And it is not in muntu are gwimbe yana kukwasio. Nurantu the nyama ziko expensive. You don't need to cost to go beyond 100,000 shillings kutika muntu. Can't buy extravagant and it is not sorry. Na no kwire. Forget it. No kuwa. You have no meaning. Lakini bahatwe nondo ntikumenu kasumba bweko itukwenda kugura mathanduku ya 500 ya ngurundi ya ndi what for and I love the Islam way of doing things konja muntu etawekirara bikana wete kano evya muntu cremate. That's how cheap things in life, the best things in life. You've worked your journey in life on earth, ukudhila no wita. So, tukaenja ku make story na mambo manene. Na ndo bora wehire, iboku ya Biblia ni bwacho. So, kwa ndo mbira nendire. Mali yayo nureko, ila dhiki unambajiana. Nontu nari rich. Kando lilo kadhikanirwacho Canada ilo kanirwacho nyene hakuna. So all these things are vanity. It's how you live with your people, how you support your people, and the cause you don't believe in to some of us is what is important or not. Yes.
Masuma kimisho kana number 2 kimisho president narite kia makeno pe ya dissolved kije kidrikare nikienda kwa accommodated ube kwa kuna kuwate
unenjogeria member bake makape unontu wa kwariyo indone bakuse statement nambire padilindo no pe bwana mpuru ontaburi ndugu yangu uwe mewe kiongozi utiura twatura kithakeni nawe kia makeno peu tafadhali don't accept mundabandi ya kumerua as no respect pado tuengiro no tutare kiama. You can see how we are treated. Learn from our experience what we did to so kidaga ogura kuandike coalition agreement ibukarwe nambi na kuradikira in the story dissolve kiama weye once bitten twice shy. Please learn from your history mtu ya kumisirianto na uradhiritie nakenda William Ruto natudhiritie mandu ya yonde na akenda second time tumuringira pura. You can imagine kida athikura bwiri kuromba ringi uratudhiria. So my position is don't, and like we can never trust him again because trust is lost.
Okay.
Please.
So what do we wait now? What are your plans for Meru people and maybe Kenya plans?
Meru people, Kankavera, we have to be very careful. We have seen out of experience ya kudhura mbandi lindas. Kana people who have no msimamo and they have nothing to fight for. People who have no agenda. Right?
Yes.
People who are utumbo ba question utumba no me one time ituetere uni na kiraito for live interview ya kuria Meru, what is your agenda for Meru? Kawira refused to come. I was there, Kiraito came there and I explained my position, what I wanted. Kiraito did. So and waenda kuchusi sarakasi because you see you must be ready ukritikwa na tunakurwa bioria.
Yes.
Now when they made a mistake in tuendelea sauti you utomba kuondi muntu accountable. I printed my manifesto and when I get the that time kenda no that my promise to the Meru people because that is what I thought. Now back one dress issues is shown there ilanda thona is important kirembi kire Meru. So if you asked today tudirikarere kwa thana ne kawira today no ringiro gura ingabana na running mate wawe
Yes.
So bomba wiki uria kio biberere Meru bakathithia nimbi. I want to be told igwenda kwirwa no ntu kawira uti manifesto anankera Meru. There was no agreement between him and the Meru people tia sarakasi sia mandu yayo onde baranachia. But I respect her. No nduna dhiripindi na vurwa no yare mago manage county bure kari no tombo mabudi to question on to tibo utara divya. Now his deputy is in office. Cut out of is impeachment. Lakini na wewe ndio ngombe kinya wewe nakwenda kumbia the same way no mpate kula. No, the management of politics is very important. Yes.
non tu quattro i canti va complinati o no buona niente guerra renda wa tinin ka ken complain ya to ya di mo kana to di matu serious bomba mando iba bangi mbibitwe and the only company dia not have I'm affected no ngenda mbi what no tejo so kati nenda ko me ko da nembi ni oma so ndio ko da nembi ko kara so ndo expecting then they manto ya chenchia no ndumende they are cut from the same cloth the only difference no kwero hatia no kwero hatia oh intomrome ongiru ari right no kimwa
Mwanya.
agenda but in terms of character kila kitu hiyo kana kaire mbi sema no tunyoronga hata thikira antu wenda musevere impeachment mbele na bona tu atini tupingane na njina kinyo tu bora tu kwenda yende times yes na ndamo ya mujama no yuna tema ndo kana ida barua tuka no tim hantu yangi no tibu kuibondege ro story ndero metemba nyamri choose a line so I can tell you na nombu ya anto uni tiringa kura kanti sapota mtu just like that there must be reasons na rumbi sapoti mtu it is a right of my personal benefit no I'm viewed kuwandi mantu yakwa because I can do my own things guru because I think God has given me the favor but nyaki and by sana to no we must also be guided by history kinyoka hailia governors were sent into office out of impeachment out of impeachment during the kura choka nani brabe ngwa impeachment governor ke ngwa impeachment ongea kaburu achoka uturinga kura nyangero election no tukiwe tena ngenda yene but na ati yeni mbibi abeta nyo bichuko nyo mchwa na mbibi tairo also them ati so my brother I must tell him he must smell the coffee he must smell the coffee na mani mandu yawe goya non tukinyando wakida he came into office aina ngudi wembe yamuno nando wonde bakenda but now it was messing up the good na omnari yanto mante from the beginning how do you think you be trusted next sonko ngero pedra kananu ai project ya serikali na mandu areta waitito engwa nyoro did you win and give other examples if there are any
okay
kabato diriko tuka
wakungonda kuibona nde wira antu baku kethera wakungoje ama mambo vipi
so woni menya ontogo kwera na yomakia utaigwa mbetite ni wankiwa kuri mithika na kwendete fulani because mind kwa na debo kombote da ne dianto wa stabilization ando ndeka taita abada na muntu akewe space wene shimare yawe you know mutumbo kalete kimwe kuba ile time me am a national organizing secretary of KIACA
yes
right I am sure I can be minister in the next government then and out nyeriku no kuiwa nambi I can go anywhere because my party the minimum itengo chwa ni 100 in Kenya so iko tu ani obisi inquiry ya uchwa nambi
yes
but my Meru stability is my business na wewe Meru na muntu kuomba kulitangwe na respect antu bonde is my business na kwa tu kaona the level I cannot get any respect then loko tu anatu wakaenda bakone kana
ngataona kana
yeah so if I start creating doubt no kuba what do you expect and because Meru is my business this is where home is so this is where my mother lives my brothers live here so sibitari they are not functional ngatura wetu jombe every time na beta katuma ndege ya kuira a patient no that is why my interest in Meru na I must also work towards making Meru a better county for everyone yes because it's why I believe this is why my investment and my friends what they work otherwise I can decide to sit in Nairobi because I can also live there have business no gwiwa naja so being here na Meru bandebere I am not a madman Then wait around and go and get is because I feel things are not right and I want to enlighten the Meru people. Bamenye, there is some bit of vacuum. Now, there is some serious gap in terms of how the affairs of this country and the affairs of Meru are being run.
Okay.
But surprising enough, nimetembea watu wananiambia Mithika usimame gavana. Nawera nimewasikia. Na ngoe tareu ngoe county. Sub county kana constituency 6. NJERI dato tereta nao. Quando deve tusiona na TV na binami. Amuyo to conclude. Na weta mbivu na hata iko
Bakuwa.
So but
you
now
make decision.
They were story uraba kuwa you go back and think about it and of course also sit with other national leaders no to me have space na arandi
Yes.
na langu ita I am even ready to support anybody who comes and convinces me that now is better than the one that is there. I didn't have a problem.
Okay.
Lakini kaunti yetu watu kiburi konju kule otrio muhuntomba kukwena maharia na bange nambi kinyamunya. I can also tell you I approached Munya many times Rise. Nangatoma hanto bawe. Tima ngogua. Until one time I confronted him at Safari Park. Safari Park kia Meru night. Kamore Munya Meru kadho kata tukiona au. We need to sit down and discuss. Ubra Meru kadithiata.
Ikaukira.
No kuba. Ke muntu mweto imetera. Na Pius. Beta Meru go. Na mwananchu appointment na ntoena. They are oriatibu. Ochuana. So eri unu katuika unda asirere muntu oderi gezo uchore na ndo badina pondo utaka putika cho napo kombo. Thank you.
Ibwega sana mutegeri wa Meru TV na mutegeri wa Thiri FM. Thank you so much. Nonto bako tabuna batu kumakagita kata ombiriri mwaka thaito bako batu kirikiri SMS ni nyingi ndomba ko wata tionde but thank you so much gero abo ndo batu mete SMS dimo kinyotha ino ikorera ndomba ko wata tionde nyasio poleni sana ndomba ko wata limuseni yo siku nyingine tutashika lakini ibwega nonto basa hapo tira bomba kudabukana ni atukwe nari rika no gutegerete mubango jwa rumuri rwa siasa extra ukirika na mubango yo rumuri rwa siasa rungo rwa on Sunday 8:30 lakini ruare yokari extra nonto tukwendete kuigwa mheshimiwa orakuwa na kayokawe nonto ni munene wa Meru na ni mtu wina igwetari nene munene ne Meru na no mwanka tukienda kuigwa urakinya we uwe bwake bukarinde ne siasa isi 2027. Thank you so much for the win tukuvudongi na mheshimiwa. Thank you so much nonto bwa gukuria kanya na kinyo gatutekeria tumbo ko tukwenari wa wariria Meru. Thank you so much. Kwa hivyo ibweka sana mutegeri wa Meru TV mwakira ntukuingira tugetha tukionana bitajeri wa CHEUPE.
Karibu Embu College, mahali vipaji vinageuka kuwa taaluma. Hapa tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu mwenye ujuzi unaotafutwa duniani leo. Kozi zetu ni pamoja na biashara na uhasibu, kupata msingi imara wa dunia ya fedha na biashara, uandishi, kujenga, kubuni na kuunda suluhisho za kifundi, ususi na urembo kwa ubunifu unaogusa maisha na kuongeza weledi, upishi, kuleta ujuzi wa mapishi ya kitaalamu na ladha zinazovutia, usimamizi wa utalii, kukuandaa kwa fursa katika sekta ya utalii na huduma, sayansi ya kompyuta na tehema ambapo teknolojia ya kesho inaanza leo, elimu ya udhibiti wa uhalifu, kuchangia usalama na ustawi wa jamii, mhudumu wa afya, wahudumia wengine kwa weledi na huruma, udereva kwa ujuzi salama na wa kuaminika barabarani. Chagua Embu College. Safari yako ya mafanikio inaanza na hatua moja. Jiunge nasi leo kwa kupiga simu 0721 152 709 ama ututembelee katika mitandao ya kijamii Facebook, Instagram na TikTok ni @Embu College. Embu College, skills to go places.
Angagwe uri mu Kenya muchiacha na nukuria ni kiama kiriko ugatonya gukinyaniria kiroto giaku gichiacha nandi kiama kia nopeo ni kirugurite mirango yakio ni undu bwaku nandi no uchiandikithie no gatuika mukiama wa nopeo uri muchigo waku dial *509# na uthingatire uria umba guchiandikithia ta mukiama wa nopeo kana guchiembiria kiamene kiria uri na gitio kugweria nkoroki no uchiandikithie gukorokera eCitizen kana kiri political party portal gukorokera www.ippms.orpp.or.ke kiama kia nopeo nikio gitongeretie Meru na Kenya ngima chiandikithie narua ta mumemba kiama toriuga nopeo tupande ngazi pamoja.
Yasa, odi antobe Meru County da Kanithi County, Isiolo County na Kinyambu County ntore dio cionda ciithire kiretie ituri bionde biande bira bimagaruo nkuja na ntato sire na mureo tamatanta jama sono jagi empeke oki atia gwe ukwenda kwethira oena mantu ukwenda kumenyithia ntu nukwenda track kana ngare arudishu aja ni oturi nini wewe areria antora ndongo na ndongo anto bakwigwe warie tankongi maugene atiri gwo kwenda kugire skuru yaku gwo kwenda kuthia road show kana kiatho kira kionde kwenda sauti yenene atiri aja turi na ngare ya road show ira tugukunenkera na maguri jara kuguna mukojo waku na kinyawenda tukwejania muna mugi kana na MC sound irere aja nire tionekete kaire kuma ndiguro rombo kuma gitara baroti ko ye gitara banumo ngagucoka kwa Jesu runguro area igoro na matu na kinyamanga nyoni na ndenjo mo gutoneka engeta eje Thimo namba 0725170744 withiro gicigwatira ngari yaku ya road show na kinyoke ya kuthawina kiatho aunja ni oturi turakue nagwe taritho na gutu nini wewe turekane.
You can read about it in the Daily Express. Before time began, there was the cube. We know not where it comes from, only that it holds the power to create worlds and fill them with life. That is how our race was born. For a time we lived in harmony, but like all great power, some wanted it for good, others for evil. And so began the war. A war that ravaged our planet until it was consumed by death. And the cube was lost to the far reaches of space. We scattered across the galaxy, hoping to find it and rebuild our home, searching every star, every world. And just when all hope seemed lost, message of a new discovery drew us to an unknown planet called Earth. But we were already too late.
Oh God, 5 months of this? Can't wait to get a little taste of home. Plate of mama's alligators etouffee.
You've been talking about barbecue gators and crickets for the last 2 weeks. I'm never going to your mama's house, Fig. I promise.
But Bobby,
I'm not going to your mama's house.
gators are known to have the most succulent meat.
I understand.
Con un poquito de arroz con habichuela y unos tostoncitos por el lado.
English, please.
English. I mean, how many times we don't speak Spanish? I told
Why
you
you
that.
gotta ruin it for me, man? That's my heritage. Siempre me estás jodiendo con la misma mierda. De que...
Go with the Spanish, whatever.
Hey, you guys remember weekends? Huh? The Sox at Fenway, cold hot dog and a flat beer.
Perfect day.
What about you, Captain? You got a perfect day?
I just can't wait to hold my baby girl for the first time.